Soil computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Whoops. Okay, it works. Hey, folks. I was finishing up dinner. I was delayed. What's up, Kogi Type? Good morning to you. How you doing? Welcome. How's your week going? Did I bring enough napkins? I treated myself to a French dip today. And as you know, those can get messy if you're not careful. I've just got, I haven't spilled yet, but never say never. Some hearty Dinty Moore beef stew. I wish, you know, the great taste of Hormel's own from a can, you wouldn't even know it. Alas, nah, French dip is, yeah, it's almost as good. Careful not to burp in the mic. Who I'm excited about today, folks. I'm excited because I found a new wallpaper. I know it's like impossible to like not get spoilers since Mass Effect's been out for decades. It's been 84 years. I'm trying not to look too closely at the characters depicted here. I know that we haven't met many of them yet. You gotta pay extra to get me to burp into the mic. Yes, that should be another channel reward, I suppose. Folks, today we're going to be playing some Mass Effect first playthrough, if you can believe it. But before we do, we're going to have some fun with our Shapes example app, our test app. Last time we were trying to figure out how to properly label the summary page. I think we're gonna do that today. Let's just play it here and see what it comes up. Why is everything defaulting to that monitor? I should just do the window here. Oh, it's already at this one. What you saw in the opener is this fantastic piece of work. It's just maths. What I want to do is I want to mess with the summary page today. There's only like 2 characters in that wallpaper that you haven't met yet, and one of them isn't very important. Oh, okay, good. It's not like Thug number 3, Crazy Alien number 2. I'm loving the story so far, by the way. And I think we've got, for this first game, we've got most of our companions now. We've got one left to meet and greet. And we're still on the Citadel planet, I think. Yep. Picked up a bunch of side quests. I know some of those side quests involve us going off planet. We still have to like find more of those keepers and scan them and stuff. I forget I haven't met that last companion. Yeah, the last one. Although I think I know who it is. I think she's of the same race as the Oracle or whatever her name was, the consort. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna play with any shape today, folks. If you are here for some SwiftUI action, fasten your seatbelts because we're going to slowly, methodically implement this. Okie dokie. Let's take a look at this new thing that I grabbed, new to the project that is, but I grabbed from a previous project, which is something I like to call shape container. Why do I call it shape container? Well, it's because it contains an any shape. And what is an any shape, you may ask? Well, it's just another container to a shape. Oh boy. It could be overkill, but we're gonna try it this way and see if there's maybe a better way to do it. I just want something to show up in the summary page, an overlay of what the shape is, and its description. To doof. I think that happened because I was typing with the wrong keyboard just a moment ago. To doof. There you go. Yep. I've got an array of shape containers here. And so as you can see, there are quite a few shapes that are grouped into groups. And there's up to 10 of them. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Because we have quite a few. The goal was to store them in an array of shape containers. Now that I'm trying to remember how I did it in the other one, let's go back to, I think it's this guy. And I just want to see how I used it. Oh, I initialized it in line. Look at this. Okay, and I only did like 4 of them. This was in order to create this little beauty, which is a representation of the built-in transformed shapes in SwiftUI that you get right out of the box. And they are offset shape, rotated shape, preview crash, scaled shape, and transformed shape. You want to try that again? Finally, a Swift streamer. Hey, hello. Welcome, first-time chatter. Ishin, how you doing? Welcome. Hey, I'm going to give you a secret. There's another Swift developer in this chat. And I'm just going to... Dozens of us. You should check out CocoType's stream as well. He streams Mondays and Fridays, I believe. Some good old-fashioned Swift with UIKit and SwiftUI, all in one. Mac OS programming, iOS. He does it all. He does it all. Well, at least 6. We also have, yes, there's quite a few actually on here. You got Compile Swift. You got Hey J Wilson. You've got Ivers Meijers. You've got Monsieur B. Got a few. Yeah, so, but welcome. I'm glad you came today, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Follow both of you. I'm a new programmer that has an iOS startup idea. Excellent. So I'm soaking in all the knowledge and watching every YouTube video. Oh man, I am so happy for you. You have decided to join a group of very kind, always willing to help developers that there's so many resources on YouTube and on Twitch and on Twitter and Mastodon, although I don't frequent that as much as I should. I keep forgetting. But yeah, there's so many resources out there. It's amazing. I hope you're having a great time with it. And yeah, feel free to ask any questions in chat if I can answer or if our other devs can answer. We'd be happy to help you. I'm so happy you found it too. Hooray! What you're looking at here is all of the built-in shape transformation. So I've got this capsule here, and I have something called an offset shape, a rotated shape, a scaled shape, and a transformed shape. And all of those are just wrapped inside this any shape type. And the reason why this is helpful is because it says we can use it to dynamically switch between shape types. And if you're going to be doing like animations, for example, this little guy here says if you're going to have a clip shape, you make it a circle or a capsule, and it can switch back and forth. Actually, I'd said animation. I don't know if that'll actually animate this particular example because I don't see an animation modifier, but you get the idea. It allows one to provide a wrapper type, whereas normally we wouldn't be able to do it. Like if I said, return a clip shape of circle or rectangle, it would get mad at me because it's like, those are two different types and you can't do that, unfortunately. So the any shape was added to fix that problem. There's also a Swift Streamers Discord. Yeah, thank you, Cocotype, for the link. I love the journey so far, but it definitely takes some patience in the beginning. Yeah, and if you know that outright and are willing to try something, go down a path, and then you realize, oh, maybe I should have done this, then you're gonna do just fine. Because learning through failure is like the name of the game when it comes to any type of software development. But Swift is no exception. But the nice thing about programming in Swift and doing your UI in SwiftUI is that it's just so much of a joy to program in, and I'm having a blast. And so, yeah. Today we're working on, I've made a Swift package. It's a shapes library, which kind of expands on the built-in shapes that are available to us in SwiftUI. And I was just taking a look at a project that I was trying to make a tutorial out of, but I'm lazy and I procrastinate, and we'll probably see it in 84 years. But what I have here is I've got an array of shape containers, which are identifiable so that they can comfortably be placed inside a for each, which I believe I have all the way down here. Yes. So I have a lazy V grid. I've got a for each. Each container in is going to render the shape, and I'm going to overlay it with the title. And so that's how you see it there. It'll be on Swift 6 in 84 years. Exactly. And maybe just maybe we'll find a way to debug the SwiftUI view stack in Xcode. As it stands now, I can't get anything out of that. I don't know if you can, Cocotype, but it's been impossible for me to. You do like a pause of like what you would normally find in a UIKit app. And you try to do that in SwiftUI, and it just has not been helpful to me. But maybe by Swift 6, Xcode 77, we'll see some we'll see something there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this. I'm just going to take this and go back to the other project, the shape container I've defined here, and in my lazy V grid. What I can do is, let's see. I wonder if, okay, so yeah, this is actually going to be very messy. So we're just going to put our to-doof here, and what we're going to try to do is throw everything inside here, inside an any shape. Let me just see. What's the best way to do this? I use the ID and I use the title so that I can actually do a title. Okay, here's what we're gonna try. Let's just start out with these guys, and let me see if I can do something interesting here. Hold on a minute. Boom. And I'm gonna do Control Shift clicky any shape. No, I can't. Wait, yes I can. Boom. And then dot init title shape. There. I think that should work, yeah? Oh, did I do something wrong? Dev Club. SwiftUI has no bugs, says Kokotype, facetiously. I'm trying to join the Discord. What's the name of the server? Ah, yes. It is a member of type. Use type of to initialize a new object. Init title, shape, any shape. Oh, do I have to do? Wait, hold on. How did I do this before? That should work. Any shape. Let me just check here. I might be missing a parentheses. I think I'm missing a parentheses. I knew it. So many parentheses. Okay, so let containers equals this. Init is a member of the type. Use type of to initialize. Wait a minute. What? Wait. What? What? Shape container. You should be fine, yeah? Maybe it doesn't like it on macOS. And commas? Oh, yeah. Commas could be good. That's what I get for trying to be all clever with my Control-Shift-Click arrowhead. Probably a better way to do this. Bullet. Circle pattern. Okay. So let containers equals containers, all those things. Okay, I think that works. Let's go ahead and press stop. Let's build. And what we're going to do is we're going to, instead of, so all the way down here in my, okay, this is a for each. Lazy V grid. I'm in a scroll view. Do I really want, yeah, I think I do want a scroll view. V stack, lazy V grid, for each. For each containers, container in. I'm just going to do this. For each container in, container shape. Let's see what this looks like. Build succeeded. Okay, so I've got a lot of stuff going on in here, and I'm trying to make it a little bit more organized. As you can see, that worked. It gave us our shape. It gave us an overlay of the actual shape name. One thing it also did was expanded. It's no longer in the frame that we want it to be. And I believe that the reason for that is because I didn't specify the frame in the for each. So let's go back and fix that. Oh, no, I did specify a frame and it was bad. Let's do this. Foreground purple. Do I need a foreground color purple? I mean, sure, that might be fun. Overlay text foreground color white border. Do I need a border? Yeah, I suppose I do. Everything here was a border color red. So yeah, let's do that. Now let's see what it looks like again. And I may find that I will want to probably not have a square frame. No, that's okay. What do you guys think about that? That's kind of cool. I think the the color choices that works for me. The font size is not too big, but the idea is that this is a full screen application meant to be on your laptop. And so that is that. So let's go ahead and do it for the rest of these guys. Nice. Okie dokie. Arrowhead, bullet, circle pattern. See, much easier to figure out what's going on here. So I'm going to. Oh yeah, here we go. we got a lot more coming here. Okay, phew. So we don't need these guys because we've done them. And I'm going to try this. I'm gonna go. Oh gosh. Here's where things get crazy with the multi-line. Okay. Control Shift. Okay, so that's not gonna work for all of them. This is where we say our goodbyes. Command Shift click. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. KNH! Gifting tier sub to Ishin. Thank you so much, KNH, for the gifted sub. Very kind of you. Very nice. And thank you for the scream there. It makes my day. How's it going? Welcome. Where did I go here? I think I accidentally... Is it you? Papa. I think that worked. How are you, my friend? In it. Clicking all the buttons. We're in a button clicking mood today. Okay, now I'm missing commas. Yeah, as I want to do. Comma. Wait a minute. You're missing some teeth. Boop, boop, comma. I think that's it. Yes, sir. And, oh, was that too many? I think it might have been too many. Yeah, there we go. We're good. We're good. Yeah, this is unfortunately, I don't know how to not make this messy. There's, oh no. Okay. Oh, anybody have a timer? Oh, I'm gonna be talking like Edgar, and I don't know what's going on here. This is the first time somebody's redeemed that many points. A bullet came in here today, a dead bullet, and now I just don't know where my containers are. Like to have them back. Okay, let's just go ahead and build and run. Oh, where do you keep your debugger? Oh, that's much better. Okay. Summary, I'm missing the titles. I'd like to have them back. Means worlds to me. I think it was, the empty, yeah. Has it been 60 seconds yet? Where do you keep your dead? Where? I was trying to remember all the lines from the movie. I like to recall them if I could here. Give him a break. Give me sugar in water. More. It's got to be 60 seconds, right? Thank you, Coca Type. The first person to redeem the Choose Your Destiny spin, I believe that was for 1 minute, yes. Wow. Okay. Definitely have some practicing to do. And it worked. It worked too. But really, I want to find out what I can get for 20,000 points. Wait, are you serious? Wait, did you actually store that many points? We're doing a back. We're doing a back-to-back. Oh no. Oh, okay. Why don't we start the clock there, Arthur? We got 2 minutes, see? I gotta get a stopwatch here. Maybe two minutes and 5 seconds. All right. So if you just keep the time along with me, maybe everything will be all right. Hosea is a character that I'm doing a very terrible impression of from Red Dead Redemption 2. See, why don't you just go play Red Dead Redemption 2 there, Arthur? And then you'll understand the reference, see? I just don't know what I'm going to do with this empty strings. Do you know what I'm talking about? Now, as far as I can see, a convex polygon, if I am to say a number of sides, I should put them in parentheses. Isn't that right now? Maybe this could be a lot more entertaining if you knew the reference material, Cocotype. You think so? I'm just going to be talking about what's going on the screen. You understand me? Because it has every sentence has to end in a question. As you can see, the frame is starting to put the title on 2 lines there, see? And we don't want that. I wonder if I have to do some sort of maybe a max with infinity. Don't you think so? Now I'm trying to see what I could do here to convince everybody that this is the way to go, but I really don't know. And let's talk about the crescent moon for a second here, Arthur. You see, the crescent isn't really a crescent, is it? It's got something more like a disc, see, and it doesn't take the full frame, Arthur. Don't you think that's kind of superfluous? To just have the left side and not both sides of the frame with the crescent moon? I mean, is the moon really shaped this way? One second, and we're done. Thank you. Oh boy, well, yeah, note to self, work on your Edgar and your Jose impressions. Thank you, Cocotype. I am so glad that you remembered that Channel Point Redemption exists. When did we actually complete that? That was quite some time ago. It's been at least a month, I think. Oh boy. Oh, Murray watches the VOD. He's gonna get a kick out of that. All right, what are we doing here? We've got our crescent. And see, I feel like this could probably be better. But I'm just gonna do a first pass here. Cut corner rectangle. What is this? This is a data path. Okay. Let's try it without the paren. I don't think I can lay off the go button long enough to get a spin. That's, you know, it's almost just as good and for cheaper too. So I think it's a win-win situation for everybody. Oh, golly. All right, summary. Also, I need to figure out how to actually make the summary appear first, rather than having to click on it every time. So like when the app first starts, it doesn't have anything in the detail page, and I'd like it to start with the summary page. So I need to figure out how to do that. Okay, we've got cut corner rectangle. Clearly, we've got some issues with the title. I feel like maybe we just need to make this a little bit bigger. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let's see. Let's go. What should we do? I'm thinking. The width is dimension. What did I define dimension to be? Okay, let's make it 150. I think that we should be able to fit 5 on a row with a 150 frame. What do you guys think? Yeah, there we go. And actually, I do like this much better. In fact, I think we can even go bigger. We could probably go 175 or 200. Again, it's a scrollable list, so and having it larger makes it more fun. So more. All right, back to that. Whew. Have to warm up my voice too. That Edgar like really grates on the throat. Edgar, your skin is hanging off your bones. Oh yeah. Data path was the last one, yeah? Okay, let's get rid of these guys. And the next one is diamond and double teardrop. And those are actually easier to do. In fact, you know what I should do? Let's make this easier for us. Let's do this. We're going to init with any shape of whatever. This is what I should have done. Don't make the same mistake I did. There we go. There is our, and just to prevent empty, oh, wait, it's gotta be, let's do circle. Circle. There we go. Edgar, 5 minutes speaking. In haiku. Wait, is haiku one of the choices? I don't even remember what the choices were. Speaking in haiku, that would be, I would need Harry Mack to help me out there. All right, init, title, shape, into circle. Okay, so if I just do a bunch of these. Those are V's. I don't remember what the choices were either. It comes at you fast. And I remember, you know, I do have some dormant channel point rewards that allow you, the viewer, to actually inject some family-friendly, of course, options. But I need to practice. Was it worth the point amount? You think? I think real talk here. Did it take too long to reach that that milestone? Should I give y'all a discount? Because that was kind of fun to do. Diamond. Diamond. Double teardrop. We're just deleting stuff here, left and right. Dragon curve. Dragon curve. Hey, anybody have a question? Has anybody played with, I know Hey J Wilson has. Has anybody played with the composable architecture yet? From Point Free. I have been hearing a lot about it lately, and I would like to give it a shot. I'd like to give it a try one of these days. Touching. Ooh, you know what? I think this is the one that I remembered we were supposed to fix. It was certainly worth 5 goat screams to me. Okay. All right, so we'll keep it. We'll keep it there. If it was worth it to you. Little variety here. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we got heart. We got inverted corner rectangle with corner radius of 20. We got a lot. It's kind of fun to actually see how many types that we've made. I mean, it should be a lot, right? We've been working on this thing since 2021. So, there, you know, we should have a lot of stuff here. Inverted chap. Isosceles. So we got boom, boom. We got isotopes of polygons here. I've been hearing about it a lot, but I've heard a lot about Scientology in that time too. Oh, I see. Yeah, a very comparable list there. Yes, for sure. Isotoxal polygon. How many more do we got? We got 10, 20. We got like 25 more of these. Don't worry, we'll get it all. We'll get it all here. I don't know of any way else to do this other than just kind of copy and pasting. Actually, it probably would be better. I could put it in like a text file and then, you know, do that stuff. Lens is here. I've heard some good things about it though, actually. but it's yet another framework. It's not you know, it's not native, so I've heard that it changes all the time. They constantly are updating it, which is good. But also, if you're relying on it for your own apps, it could cause you to have to refactor more often than maybe you'd want. Quad. Quad corner. Corner radius of 20. Doobity-doo. Bling. Bling. And my favorite coming up here. Okay, let's take a little bit of break and let's see what we got all the way down here. And command period, command R. Get this back. Have you accepted TCA's promise? Peter Quill, have you accepted the promise? This is looking pretty good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, inverted corner rectangle. What happened to you? Still not enough. I wonder if that is, yikes, man. Do I gotta go 200 on here? I might have to go 200. What's up, Nicholas? How you doing? Let's go dimension. Oh, I said 150. Let's go 175. Okay, even better. Even better. Inverted corner rectangle is on one line. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Uh-oh, but what happened here with our composite shape? It doesn't have a title. We should fix that. There you are, you silly goose. Composite shape. So what I'm doing, for those of you who are new here for today, is I am creating a summary page in this sample app, which will eventually be equipped alongside the Swift package. So you can take this Swift package for a test drive. The goal is to provide a test app that allows you to see what you can do and to actually build your own shapes and copy and paste the code into your own apps. Wouldn't that be absolutely fun? I think so too. So that's what we're doing right now. Who could forget our pal Right Kite with a point ratio of 0.25? Anybody excited for Street Fighter 6? I downloaded JoJo's Bizarre Adventure fighting game the other day. That was pretty fun. A fun little fighting game to keep me entertained. Right kite is gone. Triangle. Uh-oh, this might be another big one. Yoink. Ooh. Got it taking up all that space. Rounded corner rectangle. How is this any different from round rectangle, you may ask? Well, you can specify which corners you want rounded. What if you only wanted the bottom right? Well, now you can have it. Isn't that fun? I think it's fun. More fun than practicing how to ride a unicycle, that's for sure. And I stand by that statement. Rounded corner rectangle right here. See? You got this fun little corner here, and everything else has square corners, like normal. You can see such shapes in the Jedi Fallen Order menu. Although I believe they have it in the upper right, if I'm not mistaken. What else we got here? It looks like everything else is okay. We get this is good. This is good. We're coming up roses here. Oh, we got 2 right kites. Wait a minute. We got 7 right kites. 6 right kites. Oh, these are placeholders. Phew. That's okay. What else do we have here? Also, look at how data path is not stroked like I wanted it to be. Maybe what I need to do is, hold on a second. All the way back up here, data. Dot stroke. Oh, you know, that's not really. That's not done very well. Let's fix this. Can I do this? Control I. Yeah, baby. Boom. 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 Oh man, that's a lot of lines. Clearly it's a lot of lines. Wait, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Control I. Oh, it compiles. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. This is just a massive. I don't know how else to do this. It is what it is. To do. Is that we've got rounded polygon? We haven't done yet. Okay, yeah, we've been just doing this case by case. Rounded polygon is next, folks. What am I doing with this summary page? You may ask. Well. The goal of the summary page is to allow you to click on your shape of interest and have it navigate to a detail page where you can control some parameters and see just what kind of customization is possible. Doesn't that sound nifty? I think it does. Right click. Oh, I did that. Stallinon. Simple polygon with sides 5. Simple polygon. I think we've only got just a few more, yeah? You are now gone. Oh, just kidding. We've got like 13 more. Yeah, we got 13 more. There are so many of these. Wow. Spiral lateral, folks. Here we go. Where are you at? Spiral lateral, baby. Shooby dooby doo boo boo. I've got a spiral lateral for you. Okay, what am I doing here? Why is this way? Let's just do that. Sponge filter. Boy, these sponge filters will prevent your drain from clogging up with all the crazy shape. Let's see what that looks like at the was the 175 dimension. All right, sponge filter, get out of here. Okay, build and run. Okay, cool. So data path is now on a stroke. That looks like what I wanted to do. This is looking good. Circle pattern, yes. Rounded polygon, yes. Salinon, simple polygon. Spiral laterals looking good. Sponge filter. I can hardly see the sponges. Let's fix that. I think it's like a single pixel. We don't want that. Time to fix that. Go back. Where are you? Sponge filter with a size of, let's say the size of 10. Should we say a size of 10? Let's take a look at what that looks like. I'm pretty sure that'll be a lot better. Be like, yeah, there we go. Okay. That's what a sponge filter looks like. And keep in mind, it is randomized. The positions will be different every single time you call it. Even if you, okay, so, and this, I think I need to fix this. Or maybe I should make the option to fix this, where if you create a single instance of a sponge filter and you like want to display it X number of times, each time it renders as a separate instance, it will have a random pattern. I don't know if that's like a good thing or a bad thing, but that's what it currently does. In fact, I could show you real quick. I just happen to have it right here, see? Why don't you practice with a couple of sponge filters, Arthur? And he doesn't even sound truly like Hosea. He sounds like a hybrid, I don't know what else character, but he's definitely my take on Hosea. Okay, so you can see how, well, okay, maybe that's not quite fair because I did actually instantiate two separate sponges. So maybe that's not indicative of the behavior. I think it still would though. I'm pretty sure it would. Let me go back. Sir. Yeah, because this. What if we did? If I keep going, I'm gonna get distracted again. Can't have that. Lens. Okay, after sponge filter came star polygon. What? Star polygon with a points of 7 and a density of 3. Star polygon. We have our stroke border shape. Oh, this is a fun one. Whew. There's a couple of entries here that still need a little bit of debugging. And that's why this library is not at version 1.0 yet. Still got some things to work out. But you're definitely welcome to check it out if you'd like. If anybody wants to see what in the world I'm doing, why don't you check out my GitHub over here, and you'll see, well, not this project, but the library that is based on, and free to use, free to modify, MIT license, baby. Stroke styled circle comes next. We got a stroke styled circle, yeah. I'm singing along to music I don't know. Ba-doo. Stroke styled polygon comes next. And every time I hear a guitar, I wish I knew how to play one. I learned it in college and then I forgot. I learned like a bunch of chords. I played them and played them, and then because the guitar didn't belong to me, I had to give it back at the end of the semester. I was renting one. And I stopped playing. Completely forgot everything I had learned. I was trying to learn a Soundgarden song. This is a long time ago, folks. And it was just like two chords over and over. But like the finger patterns would give me cramps. And I just never mastered it. But it is an instrument I would love to be able to play someday. Stroke styled rectangle is next. Dash is 5, dash pattern 10, 3 in line with ratio 0.1. Okay. Note to self, we have to still figure it out how to make the second initializer for that thing to not take a ratio number, but take an actual line width, which is what we've done here with the stroke styled circle. Polygon and rectangle still need that treatment. Again, this is very much a work in progress. I usually only contribute to this project when I'm streaming. So it's been taking a very, very long time to put together. And nobody's ever complained, so I guess either it works or nobody uses it. I use it. I dog food. I'm dog fooding right now. Stroke styled rectangle. Tapered rectangle is next. Tapered rectangle. Tapered rectangle. Next is teardrop. Shazam. That was easy. All y'all are done. Teardrop. Shazam. We got 4 more shapes, folks. We got tiled shape, which is a Salonon, centered false rows 4, columns 4. Oh my gosh. Whoops. You know what I should have done? I should have done this. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Go back to tiled shape. Tile shape is one of the more fun ones for me. I like that we're able to effectively replace the image paint foreground style and keep it as a shape. It's very handy if you want to perform multiple shape modifiers on something to be used as a clipping shape, or if you want to composite with another shape. One of the things that I try to do is all the transformations return some shape so that you've got more level of control before you got to convert it to a view. Okay, tile shape is done. Let's see what this looks like. Let's go. Do. Oh boy. Stroke border shape, stroke styled circle, stroke styled polygon, stroke styled rectangle, tapered rectangle, teardrop, tiled shape. There we go. And what do you mean by tiled shape being awesome, you may ask? Well, take a look at this. First of all, if it's a shape, you can do this because you've got a trim function, yeah? And what if I needed 10 by 10 of Salinons? You never know when you need a lot of Salinons. And so in this case, you can, you can do that. You can apply any sort of transformation that you do to any view on a shape. And that's why I like to provide more opportunities for people to use shape just because it's way easy. Because under the hood, what are we working with here? When we say shape, for those of you who are new to SwiftUI, maybe you're not, but for a refresher, a shape is drawn with a 2D path. And way under the hood, under path, it's a SwiftUI type. You use core graphics, the CG path. CG paths are defined with a series of lines and curves. A bunch of move twos, line twos, quad curves to add arc, all those things. And you can make some pretty cool looking shapes. SwiftUI. Swifty UI. Yes indeed. I do not have a good Rick impersonation, no, so I won't even try. But I am feeling a little burpy today. Give me sugar. Okie dokie. Teardrop was the last one. What do you mean by that, Nutter? What do you mean the path? What is this add arc and stuff you're talking about? Well, my friend, every shape requires a path in rect implementation. Shape you see is a protocol. It's not a defined class or anything. It's a struct. We're talking SwiftUI types, and so everything in SwiftUI is not everything, but things that are views are typically structs. There's really no purpose of having a class as a view in SwiftUI. And so what happens is you get one of these required methods that draws something with a path. You can even, I think, go down, once you're in the core graphic land, I think you can even get into UI Bezier path and all that stuff. Do a bunch of transformations there and then pack it back into a SwiftUI path, and then you're golden. And that is how we're able to make all these fun customized shapes. For example, you see here Torx, which I've named because I didn't know what else to call it. I said that this is actually an NFI shape, which actually is an insettable shape, which is a SwiftUI built-in protocol which conforms to shape, which is also a protocol. Anything that's insettable means that you can provide an inset value and it can shrink by that amount in the same frame. It's very handy if you're trying to animate something that's shrinking, but it doesn't, but you've got something else in the frame that you don't want it to move. We do this a lot with many of our types, and it's actually something that is a part of a stroke bordered view. Where you inset, you do your line width so that the outside of the line is still fits inside the frame, so you're not spilling out. of the frame. Anyway, you may have noticed that I really enjoy shapes on this channel. Some might say a little too much, but you know, if I can provide just one thing that does something and does that one thing well, I think I will have succeeded. This is a gift to the Swift community. After so many awesome tutorials that I've consumed over the years. Ishin, if you're still here, there are a plethora of tutorials available on YouTube that'll teach you everything you need to know. A lot of developers have blog sites. A lot of them have their own websites that they sell books. They give stuff away for free. There's plenty of free information out there, and I definitely encourage you to take advantage of it because there's just so much good stuff out there. A lot of not so good stuff. I've found that it's very difficult to actually write a good tutorial that isn't surface level fluff. It's hard to do. It takes time, and I think that's the one thing that I enjoy as the challenge is crafting a learning experience for someone. We've all been there, right? We've all gone through tutorials where we're like, what? Why am I doing this? It's not really described very well. It's just like, okay, just do this. Just believe it'll be okay. And you do it, and you're like, why did I have to do all those steps? Are you also a fan of timeline view? Ooh, timeline view. That I briefly played with it when widgets first came out. By the way, hello, first time chatter. RASEC8 me. Welcome. Yeah, I played with it a little bit, but I it's been a while, so I'm not actually I'm a little rusty. Definitely a reason why I'm a streamer and not a writer. Let's go tight. You just prefer, you know, the long form video approach. You're still making tutorials. People are still learning from watching you. You all right? I learned it by watching you. Tapered rectangle, teardrop, tiled shape. What comes next, folks? Tiled shape is Torx. Our good friend Torx. Nutter, why did you call it Torx? You know, that's a great question. I think it was because of the screwdriver, like the bit. I think there's something called that. Am I way off? I just latched onto that word for some reason. I didn't know what else to call it. I was like looking on Wikipedia to like see like what the actual name of it was, and I never could figure out what it was. Would you like to know what a Torx is according to my library? Have a gander. Take a look. It's in a book. Summary. Torx, where are you, my friend? This is a Torx. There is definitely a Torx screwdriver. Okay, cool. Okay, is my head in the way? I think my head's in the way. This is what we're talking about here. So you've got, what is this going on here? I've got some speech in my chilled music radio, my lo-fi hip hop channel. Thank you so much for the copyright free music, the relaxed movement. You can find it on YouTube. Yeah, so I figured that this would be a safe way to do it. Okay, do I even have the? I don't know if I have the. I've got isotoxel. I don't have Torx in here. It's almost like an isotoxel polygon where you get to like play with the inner radius. The difference is that you're using curves instead of lines to connect the control points in the line and the vertices. A popular generic name for the drive is star, as in star screwdriver. Or star bits. The official generic name, standardized by ISO 10664, is hexalobular internal. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Does that mean we need to do a type alias? What was that called again? Type alias hexalobular internal equals torx. Hexalobular. That's without the. Is that correct? Ah, that makes sense. Okay, so I couldn't do this because it's not a generic term. But we already have a star. We already have a star. Equals torx sides 6. There we go. So generic over points would be internally lobular. Internally lobular. Okay, I'm down with that. Internally lobular. Boy. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna need an internally lobular with corner radius of 0.3, please. Tiled shape. Control point ratio of 0.2. Trapezoid, I think we did, yeah. We did trapezoid. And we did teardrop. Or done teardrop. Oh, that was just a placeholder. Triquetra view. Okay, here's where it breaks down. Here's where it breaks down, folks. We have an imposter in the library, and I'm ashamed to admit it, but I'm sorry, but this is a view. I know. I know. Technically, shapes are views, but you can see it's a work in progress. I've got a bunch of commented stuff here. It's not quite ready. I tried to do it, I think, last stream, and I just bombed. So we're not going to be able to include that inside this special. Where'd you go? Let me close. Close the other tabs. Tiled shape example. No. Summary group view. This is what I need. Okay. So I can take care of this. I can get rid of this. But I can't get rid of this. I have to keep it here because it is it's not a shape. So unfortunately it's not going to be able to be included in any shape. Here come the burps. Whew. It's, big problem is I ate too fast too. In water. Summary. Here we go. Sounds like it's time to redo it as shapes. I think it is time. Look at it. One of these things is not like the others. One of these things does not belong. Folks, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 44. We have 44 types in this library. Isn't that exciting? I think that's exciting. That's really fun. Now, granted, some of them are combinations of existing shapes. I don't know what to call them. I guess those would be technically called transformed shapes. So, for example, we have composite shape, inverted shape, circle pattern, I guess would be the same thing, yes. We have sponge filter and tiled shape. Those are the transformed shapes in this library. Okay. Very, very good. Now, what would be cool if after clicking on the tiled shape, we would come to this screen? Well, I think it would be super duper. So what should we do? Why don't we go ahead and add something next to us? Yes, indeed. We definitely need to redo the triquetra as a shape. And we will, by golly, we will do that. But what we're going to do now is add some functionality to this here test app. I don't think I need that to-doof anymore. So go team. What I'm going to need is for each container and container shape frame overlay border and on tap. I just lied. I just lied just now. I'm gonna need a navigation link. Navigation link with a destination label. Isn't this wait a second. Which one is the iOS 16 version? I think it's this one. Label is you. I think it's this. Navigation link. We're just gonna make everything go tiled shape example. Let's just see if that works. Excuse me. Oh no. Doesn't even work. What? Doesn't even work. Quick, distract them. Maybe it wasn't navigation link. No, I'm pretty sure it was. Blur. 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 Oh, wait a second. This is iOS 13. This is the old stuff. This isn't what we want. We want... I think navigation destination. I think that's what we want. Navigation view is also the old stuff. We want navigation stack. I believe this is what we want. We want navigation stack. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Actually, are we using a navigation stack? No, we are not. Let's fix this issue. Let's fix this right now. Thank you, folks, for keeping me honest. I'm going to... What am I going to do? I think it's the content view. Content view contains the shapes list. Ah, here it is. Navigation view. I need that instead. Navigation stack. And if I build this... Succeeded. So instead of navigation link, I'm going to need... What? Oh, I can still do navigation link. Ah, it's navigation destination. To create navigation links, associate a view of the data tab, adding a navigation destination for a destination. Modifier inside the stack views hierarchy. Then initialize a navigation link that presents an instance of the same kind of data. The following stack displays a park details view for navigation links that present data of type park. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to do some... We're going to do some refactoring. Okay. Navigation destination, how you point to where you want based on the value on your stack. In this, we've got park details, which is a view that can be where we inject the model, the park. My issue is I'm going to be having a different view for each thing. And I guess that could be the park details. It could be like a switch and just return a different thing each time. That's kind of what I'm doing here, though. Shape menu detail. I've already done that. I've already done that. This is it. I've already made that. So this should be fine. Okay. Okay, so back to where we were doing. Navigation destination could be shape menu detail. Yes? I believe that's true. Okay. Let's get back to that. What was it again? I'm going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to do this so I can see it better. List park in. This is a list. And oh. Maybe maybe I don't even need a for each. Maybe I just need a shape menu all cases. Item in. List, navigation link. Wait a minute. The destination is the park details. So the destination is... Wait, now I'm getting confused because the label is just the text view, yeah? Just make whatever item is your navigation stack value. So so then here in my list, my navigation destination for shape menu dot self. Is this right? Menu in shape menu detail menu menu. Is this how I do it? Navigation link item.value capitalized value item. What is the type of item? What is the type of item? The type of item is shape menu, which is probably not named very well. This should be shape menu selections, shape menu menu item. It should be a shape menu item. This shouldn't be a menu. This should yeah. Let's rename this. Let's rename this. This is going to be a shape menu item. Rename. Shape menu detail is going to be menu. You're no longer a menu. You're just item. Item. Init. Factor. Item. There we go. Shape menu item. That's much better. So then I think your navigation destination is correct now. Okay, let's just double check here. Navigation destination is for shape menu item itself. Item in. Yeah. Whew, naming things is hard. Okay. Let's see if this actually works. Let's go stop. Let's press play and see what we get. Yay, good. We got it. Oh no. We lost. Okay. Okay. So now I don't get to see that left side anymore. My link is still wrong. My link is still wrong. Excuse me. I blame it on the carbonation. Okay, so what does this need to do? Navigation link. This needs to be done in a different way. Navigation link item raw value capitalized value item. Okay. Okay. Navigation link item dot raw value dot capitalized value No more tags. That'll do it. Success. Thank you, Kogatype. Thank you, Race C8. Me, I don't know how to pronounce that. My apologies. Okay, cool. But it still disappears when I go back. Is that just a side effect of using the new API? Because that's kind of a bummer. I'm gonna keep that. Rasik 8 me. Rasik? Maybe something with sidebar styles? Okay. Let's... Oh, yeah. Okay. That's fine. Let's get rid of this stuff. Navigation destination works. The link works because it looks good. And Shazam, focused value is, I guess I don't need a focused value. Okay, much cleaner. Navigation link, park.name, value park. Cool. Thanks everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since I've messed with the new API, so this will help. So now we're gonna need to do this again. So that's for a list. And I guess we're gonna have to do the same thing with our summary grid view. Yes, indeed. Migrating to new navigation types. Ooh, this is helpful. Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you. I opened that on the wrong computer, so now I can't show it on stream. If your app uses a 2 or 3 column navigation view, or for apps that have multiple columns in some cases and a single column in others, which is typical for apps that run on iPhone and iPad, switch to navigation split view. So not navigation side, use navigation split view instead. Navigation split view. Navigation split view, baby. Where sections and leading columns control presentations and subsequent columns. Does this mean that I'm gonna have to tackle this again? Okay. Generic parameter detail cannot be inferred. Let's sidebar detail. Sidebar code detail. Okay. So the sidebar looks like this. Wait a second. Oh no. That's completely new. No. Okay. Navigation. This is deprecated navigation split view. Column 1. Detail is column 2. Create navigation split view is explicit sidebar content and detail components using the init sidebar content detail. So if I'm moving from this to this, if you need navigation within a column, embed a navigation stack in that column. This arrangement provides finer control over what each column displays. Navigation split view also enables you to customize column visibility and width. Okay, so it does have a couple of examples. I see a navigation stack, but I would like to actually see a split view. Okay, cool. Okay, here we go. So I have list, color in, navigation link does that, the sidebar, and then the detail is if let color equals selection. Oh, I have to have a binding. I need a binding now. Okay, so I need wait, that's what this is. Yeah, this is fine. Then I get to say navigation link item raw value capitalize Value item selection. Wait. Navigation link. Tag color. It would be tag item. I think tag item selection $sign selected menu. Okay. You don't need navigation inside the column. I guess maybe I don't. Yeah, base it on the selected menu. Yes. Yeah, so this would this work? Incorrect argument label and call have sidebar detail, expected sidebar content detail. Replace detail with content. Oh. I think that's right. Oodalali. And then I no longer need the navigation destination. Is that what's going on? This is where I get a little bit okay. Then the detail is no. This is where I would say what am I trying to do? I'm trying to again go back to, is it even open? What I'm trying to do is when I click on this, I should see the detail view here, and then after tapping on that, it then continues to navigate to a new page. So is this what I'm wanting to do? So I want this to stay in place. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Navigation is split view, sidebar. Let shape menu all cases, item in, navigation link, item raw capitalized. Cannot convert value of type binding shape menu item to expected argument type binding shape menu item question mark. Oh. Do I just need to do this? Is that what I have to do? Content. Circle. Missing argument for parameter destination. Okay, now I'm getting really confused. The navigation link from before is probably fine. Let me go to this browser so I can see what you typed and copy paste it. We got some pair programming going on here, folks. Right, let me see. What do you got here? Do I have to like put sidebar here, or can I actually content? I want to make sure that, okay, so I don't need this anymore. Braces here form a trailing closure separated from its collie by multiple new lines. Oh, sorry. Jeez. If I comment that out, is that going to build? No. Missing argument for parameter detail. Okay, so this is the detail. The detail is shape menu detail. Well, what is content? What is the difference between content and detail? Content is the view to show in the middle column. Detail is the view to show in the detail area. Oh, okay, but I only want two columns. But I want the second column to change. You just want sidebar and detail. So detail. And then I do shape menu detail item. Like so. Selected menu. Like that. Is that what we're doing here? And coming out the bottom bit. How's that? Or delete it. Can I convert value of type binding shape menu item to expected argument type shape menu item? Why does this have to be an optional? I don't understand. Can't I just do this? Oh, did that work? Huh. Build succeeded. Build succeeded. Because we always want something to always be the default. And in that case is summary. We want summary to be in the front. Hey, get back here. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Hooray. Thanks, Cocotype. And do you, oh, look what you get to do. Yeah, super duper. Okay, cool. Then this stays. Very good, very good. Summary, clicky. Now let's fix the frame. Clearly what happens when, oh no. We have to go back, Kate. We have to go back. Okay, so if I go summary, okay, and I click here, then I'm stuck. I can't like move backwards. And if I click on that all that's doing is hiding this guy. So I need a back button. Okay, let's fix this. Let's go back. Thank you so much. Yeah, gosh, clearly. Thank you. Clearly I need more experience with the navigation split view. Hey, and you know what the coolest part about this, folks, is that streaming this on live, like I don't mind being ignorant. When I first started, I was terrified of not knowing something and being on stream and getting called out for it. But that is not how you learn, folks. If you stay in your safe little, not willing to try something new, not willing to look foolish in front of others, you don't grow. And I'm growing today. So thank you for letting me grow. I guess you do need navigation inside of detail. Gosh dang it. I thought so. So, well, the shape menu detail actually does have it. Yeah. I think that's what's going on here. No. The grid view, the summary grid view. This is what I need. Oh yeah. So the navigation link happens. Where did that frame go? Go to show change. Frame width. Go back to hide change. And then go, oh, wait a sec. Container. Yeah, it's right here. Wait a minute, wait. Wait a minute. Container shape with a frame width of dim and a height of dim. You should have been 175 each. So why is it ignoring the frame? I ask you. This should work. Excuse me. I click play. Why is it all smushed? It's a puzzle. This is a puzzle. So navigation link is there. Navigation split view is here where I've got, oh, I need to, you know what I need to do? Ooh, I need to do some cleanup here with the indentation. Holy smoke. And I can also probably get rid of these explicit arguments, yeah? I can just do this. I can just say, Shazam! Boom. It doesn't look as, it cannot be inferred? Oh gosh, no. No, please no. Wait, is that not allowed? Do I have to do this? Oh well. Okay, so the list works, the navigation link works. It shows up, the detail is this. In my shape menu detail, do I also have to make a... how do I get a back button? Oh. Summary view. Navigation link. And do I just do tile shape example navigation title? Testing. I think shape menu detail needs to have a navigation stack, is what you're saying. Ah, okay. 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 Let's try that. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it does need a navigation stack. So, should it be in the detail? So should it be a navigation stack in the in the detail here? Navigation stack root shape menu detail, like so? Would that make sense? Let's try that. Let's see if that works. Oh, it's one small step for man, one giant leap for man. That's it. That did it. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Okay. Cocotype, you're killing it. Many thanks. This next issue is a doozy. We've got this frame modifier that does not want to play nice. I got to figure out what is happening here. They kind of look like they're being cut off somehow, but I don't know why they would be doing that. Doobie doobie doobie. Doobie doobie doobie. Hang on, are all those other things in the sidebar the same destinations in the summary goes to? No, they're different ones. Yeah, fortunately we've only created one new bug now. It's this weird frame thing. This guy seems unaffected by it. I wonder what it could be. We're still getting close. Hey, folks, in 15 minutes, we are going to be playing some Mass Effect. So be excited. It's going to be so fun. Can't wait. Shape menu detail. Let's take a look at this again. Let's see what's happening here. My shape menu detail. I've got in my summary grid view, I have for each container in navigation link tiled shape example, navigation style testing. But the label is going to have the container shape with a frame of dim, and dim is hard coded at 175. The summary grid view consists of a scroll view with a lazy V grid with a for each with a navigation length. Maybe I need to put it here. Maybe I need to put the whole thing like that. just to verify that this is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's try that. I shouldn't have to specify the frame twice. But stranger things have happened. Gosh dang it. Why? Where's my chips? Today's stream is brought to you by... I don't have a sponsor. How's the noise cancellation on this? You can hear it like here a little bit. Can you hear it when I'm like opening it behind? Don't worry, folks. This is not an ASMR stream, but I do want to bite. Okay. Clearly there's an issue. The thing that's being highlighted, as you can see here, is a very small frame and is cutting everything else off. The for each is spacing out the V grid correctly, but this little guy is causing our rendered shape to not render correctly. Now I want some chips. You should get some chips, Coca Time. Miss Vicky's Smokehouse Barbecue flavored. Those dirty rotten scoundrels. This thing expires in like a month. Oh well. Boy, I thought I done told you to get the chips that don't expire for a year. Dang it, Bobby. What to do, what to do. How am I going to get this frame issue resolved, folks? Navigation link. Let's try something else. I want to try just... I just want to make... I just want to make a color dot red. Frame width 256. Height 256. I want to see what is happening here. It could be that the label is, unfortunately, yeah, look at that. Look at that. It says, I don't care what frame size you want. You're not getting that frame size. Gee, thanks a lot. And this summary grid view has no power here, Gandalf the Grey. It is completely beholden to the navigation split view detail. Navigation stack. I think this is the issue. I think having a navigation stack is cramping its style. I blame Geometry Reader based on absolutely no evidence. You can't blame Geometry Reader, Cocotype, because we're using shapes. This is a shapes library that uses path in rectangle. So no, it's not Geometry Reader. Good guess though. You might have been correct with the Triquetra view. Actually, let's double check that. I think you might actually be right with Triquetra view. Yeah, you are correct with Triquetra view. Maybe if I get rid of... Okay, so you're sort of right. Okay, I'm gonna comment it out. We don't get Triquetra view anymore. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm sorry, but there is something else afoot. I don't yet know what it is, but by golly, we're gonna find out what it is. Let's see. How do I do a Google search for this? Let's see. Navigation stack detail frame. A simple piece of SwiftUI code tries to set a navigation stack onto an image Z-stack background and observed the frame size sets the size of the destination view screen. This is counterproductive. If you leave the navigation stack at infinity values, the destination will show a full size. If you reduce the navigation stack height to 200, you get a cut of 200 of the destination view. Is there anybody who knows how to navigate to a next view without harm? By the way, SwiftUI 4 navigation stacks iOS presents the same problem. Brigitte. Rally to me. Because it's turning into a standard Mac OS button. Yes, I think that's what's happening. Is there a way to override that? What is detail? The view to show in the detail area. Okay, navigation split view. Do you have more information as to how the behavior acts on Mac OS? Inside the grid. Oh, inside the grid. Label. A view builder to produce a label describing the destination to present. Oh, I've got 2 frames here. Should I get rid of one of them? Can you put a button style on that navigation link? Absolutely. Button style. Dot. A button style that doesn't style or decorate its content while idle, but may apply a visual effect to indicate the pressed, focused, or enabled state of the button. That's for a plain. Should we do link? Borderless? Let's try borderless. Let's try borderless. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's try that. Hey, look at that. It works. It works. Cocotype with the hat trick. He's on fire, folks. Thank you so much. Yay. Nice job. All right, let's get rid of this and bring back our container shape. Oh boy, now this is only for Mac OS, yeah? Only for Mac OS? Question mark. That was pretty cool. Very nice. I don't think I need this anymore. And now I can bring him back. Don't worry, Triquetra View. We're not going to completely ostracize you. I still blame Geometry Reader. All right, fair enough. Hey, and there it is. There it is. Let's go back to tiled shape and voila. Boom. I'm so happy. There's our tiled shapes. Very, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, with minutes to spare. Kokota MVP today, man. Great job. Great job. But also our viewers, our new viewers, Rasic 8 me. I'm not saying it right, but also suggested navigation stack. Thank you so much for your help today. And yes, we can still blame Geometry Reader. We're trying to excise Geometry Reader from the library in its fullness, but for that, we're going to have to fix the Triquetra View. Absolutely. Yep. Credit where credit is due. This calls for a celebration with an overlay of all of the star polygons with all the densities. That's a 20-point density 10. What 3D shape does that represent? If you got 20 points and you've got a density of 10, is that, what shape is that? This didn't do anything? Oh, what is that? Is that a firework emoji? That's because that's not this stream. That's not this. We're not on the Cocoa Type channel, unfortunately. Wait, is that a Twitch thing, or is that something that you did custom made? Cocoa Type. Well, I'm just gonna have to hack into your system and get that, because that's a pretty fun effect. Yay! Okay, cool. Fun. Folks, we made a lot of progress today. What did we do today? For those who are just joining us, we created labels for each of our selections here in the summary. This is the first thing that shows up when the app starts. So we should probably actually put this at the beginning of the list here. The only problem with that is that it's using shape menu item all cases as they're defined. So I'd have to define the summary at the very beginning, which we can do really quick. That shouldn't be too hard. In fact, let's do that. I know that's kind of cheating, but I don't care. Go back to, is it the shapes list? I think it says. Yes, indeed. I'm going to throw the summary at the very top. There we go. That's all we have to do. Yes. And then summary at the top. Hey, modern problems require modern solutions. There we go. There we go. Summary at the top. Currently, every selection will take us to the tiled shape example, but that's okay. We'll eventually get there with all of the examples, and we're going to be crafting some customization experiences for each of these, so you can see just exactly what these are designed to do and how you can build them. And then what we'll do is we'll create a copy button, which will somehow copy the code in text so that you can paste it into your separate projects. That sounds fun to me. And then you too can create a kite animation like so. You too can create a sponge filter with Mr. Rulo and a bunch of triangles taking away from his body. You too can create a dragon curve that doesn't really do much, but lock up the system because of the implementation details. It really does need some refactoring here. This is supposed to be an animation down here, but it's not working. Yeah. It's like one of those to-dos that like I did like a year and a half ago, and just forgot about it. Folks, it is time for some video games. If you're excited, like I am, to play some Mass Effect, stay tuned, because I need to change out my HDMI cable so I can be viewing it on this monitor and not that monitor. And if you enjoyed the show so far, and you like what you see, would love to have a follow. Helps me out. Thank you so much for your time. And come back if you're going to be waiting for the next programming stream. We'll be back on Saturday, 8 o'clock Pacific, doing some more of this stuff. And eventually, once this is all done, I feel like it'll be a good in a state for at least release on the Swift package branch, so that you too can play with this stuff. Please post an Amazon wish list with an HDMI switch on. Fair enough. Okay. Will do. I gotta find one that doesn't look like it's an Amazon Basics created one. Those things catch fire, don't they? Weren't there some Aren't there some instances of like lightning cables or chargers that were just like spontaneously combusting? That were like just the oh yes, yeah, I've totally locked it up. Yikes. Okay, this is moving smoothly now. But see, it gives me a chance to use the transition screen, which is also kind of fun. Fair enough. Currently unavailable. Aw, boo. Someday. You have to add the first playthrough tag. No spoilers, please. Done. Folks, you're about ready to play some Mass Effect. Hold on to your seats. This is my first time playing through this game. Very excited for it. Be back soon. Is it showing? Okay. Testing. Mic. All right, I think we're good. Bring it back. Okay, where are we? So last time we left Commander Shepard. We had done a bunch of side quests. We're been inducted into the Spectres. We picked up Tali. We picked up Rex. We picked up who else did we pick up? Picked up somebody else. Where do I get to actually choose my squad? Do I have to wait until I get to like a save point? That was yesterday. Currently unavailable. It comes in rose gold. It's when you go on or off your ship. Oh, okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so what are we supposed to be doing? It's been a while. Oh, I know what we were gonna make. We still need to make this. This is what I wanted to make for our SwiftUI project. Don't worry, we've got several streams left. We will create this. This will be lots of fun. You're always alone on your ship. Interesting. Let's take a look at our journal. We have a few assignments here. Got a few missions. Speak to the ambassador at the Alliance docking bay. I'm still missing some of the keepers. I need 4 more of those guys. Strange transmission. On the whole, it seems harmless. Find the commune in the Sentry system. Hydra system. You've been approached by Conrad Werner. You seem like a harmless fan. You probably haven't seen the last of Conrad. Okay, I guess I'll just have to wait. Track the signal from the ward's access corridor. Oh, Citadel signal tracking. We should probably do that. Hostile takeover. Han system. Find missing resources in the Antia system. Speak with the Handar preacher in the Presidium. Convince it to purchase an evangelical permit and find someplace else to preach. Okay. Let's do signal tracking. Track the ward's access corridor. Can I make that like my current quest? Is that how I do this? Ward's access corridor. Where is it? Yeah, it's been a minute. Okay. Citadel Rapids. Wards access. I need to go to the wards. I need to go to... I don't know where I need to go. The corridors. Is that near the flux capacitor? Let's try flux. Doesn't seem like it's here. Okay. Let's check down here. Loading. Loading. Go back to our journal. Signal tracking. The signal seems to be coming from the ward's access corridor. The ward's access corridor. This is the ward's access corridor. Is it like the alleyway? Let's try this. Flux and ward's access is what the map said. Wait. It's to the Presidium. Ooh. We've already scanned that guy. Flux and ward's access is what the map said. Flux and ward's access. Flux was that. Flux and upper wards. Go back to Flux and look at the map. Dope. Go back. I'm lost. Oh, why? But this is disorienting me for some reason. What do you think of my outfit? Yeah? What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? They don't want to look at me. She's deliberately avoiding eye contact. All right, sorry about that. I'm just looking for my friend. Markets and Cora's Den. Presidium. Deflux. Go back. Oh, this is Deflux? This is where we were, yeah? Citadel Rapid Transit. Ah! Okay. There was no marker on the map, so I got confused. What just happened? What? What just happened to you, ma'am?
Yeah, what is it?
Just play it off like nothing happened. What happened, ma'am?
Why were you tossed out of there?
Doran didn't have a clue what I was doing. He assumed I was cheating.
And yet here you are, cheater.
I was just tipping the scales in my favor. Only as an experiment.
Oh.
It still sounds like cheating to me.
To you, maybe. But this device is merely intended to simulate situations and record results. Recording losses is easy, of course. Nobody notices those.
Why do you need to record these outcomes?
Ah, now you're getting to the heart of it. I've spent the last 5 years developing a system that can accurately predict wins and losses on the Quasar. I just need a few more recorded wins and I can complete the algorithms.
This probably isn't what I'm after. So this is yet another side quest?
Can you do that? Isn't that illegal?
It's illegal to use my
I will
system.
make it
but I
legal.
won't use it. I'll sell it to others. I just need a few more wins recorded.
I won't help you cheat.
I think I'll take my chances the old-fashioned way.
Suit yourself. Well, I have some calculations to do. Goodbye. Ah, change your mind? You gonna help me record those wins?
I think I'll take my chances.
Suit yourself. That's not what I heard.
And what did you hear exactly?
More rumors about strange
Is that it? Speak to shells?
metal.
Signal tracking. The signal seems to be coming from the ward's access corridor. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for a signal. Where's the signal?
They're always.
This looks like the corridor to me. Yeah? Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Oh, no. It's way up here. Oh, how do I get there? How do I get here? Must be a stairs thingy, yeah? Citadel Rapid Transit to Upper Wards, Wards Access Corridor to the Presidium. What do the two transition points on it say? Presidium and Wards Access Corridor. So, how do I get there?
Not this.
Can I go up the stairs? No, I'm like here. There's no exits. Citadel Rapid Transit, Upper Wards. How do I get here? I go back to the Presidium and try to find a way down from there? Because of this thing. Yeah, that makes sense. Citadel Rapid Transit, Presidium. Maybe we go there. Alright. It's kind of a maze, isn't it? Oh, hey, Rex. No gambling today. We have work to do. If I recall, there's a downward staircase in part of the Presidium. I think that's where you need to go. Can I just go to the Presidium this way? Yeah. Presidium locations. Oh, Wards Access. Here we go. Would you believe it? Wait, what? You've read presented on the stairs. Okay. Here we go. Where that? That way could work too. Ooh, I think we've got it. Thank you, Cocotype, for the hint. Oh, hey guys. Wait a second. Yeah.
Coming up in a
I
report
think
later
it's what
today,
we do.
Emily Wong investigates
Emily
corruption on the
Wong.
Citadel and
We
uncovers
promised
a
her an
full-blown
exclusive
crime
interview.
syndicate.
They had nothing to say there. Wait, is this a... Aha! He gave us a signal.
So how are you liking your posting at the academy?
It's good. Busy, though. I can't believe how many people you get coming in from the wards.
Yeah, it's the busiest station on the Citadel. You'll never get bored.
I guess not, but you could still use a few more men.
That's why we brought you here.
Sure, but there's still way more complaints than the officers can handle.
That's just life near the wards, kid. You'll get used to it.
Oh, here we go.
Looks like they bounced their signal off a relay. I'll trace the new signal.
Oh, no. We have to go back. Tali, no.
A few of my people have visited here on their...
Tali, no. Where do we go now? Ah, Tali. Anybody else feel like it's difficult to navigate this map?
pilgrimage.
Okay, so I just go back to my journal. I go back to the signal tracking, and it says it now seems to be relayed through a terminal in the financial district of the Presidium.
But their descriptions of the wards hardly do them
Financial
justice.
district. Okay, let's go to the financial district. Wait a minute. Yep, all right.
How can you
Financial
fight your own people, Rex? There aren't that many of you left.
Anyone who fights us is either stupid or on Saren's payroll. Killing the latter is business. Killing the former is a favor to the universe.
All right. Go with a smile. Oh man, come on, Commander. That was like, what, a 10-yard dash? Financial district. Profit dispute. A bean. There it is. Emporio! Yeah, when I remember to actually upload the VODs to YouTube, that's where you can go to see them. And sometimes I actually have been known to create YouTube shorts once in a while. I'm still learning how to do that. Okay, Bar Levon.
Greetings, Earth Clan. I believe congratulations are in order, Commander Shepard. You are the first human to join the Spectres, yes?
Thank you.
It's a great honor.
One you are no doubt ready for. A word
There's
of
not the
warning,
bank?
though. There are many eyes watching you now, Commander.
Shoot.
Some of them want to see you fail.
Oh.
I, however, wish you only success. Perform well and you bring the Earth Clan one step closer to joining the Council.
Okay.
And if they let your people in, maybe there is hope for my own species one day, yes?
Absolutely. Bye.
I should go.
Goodbye, Commander.
Investigate. Another relay.
relay. Whoever it is, they're somewhere on the Presidium.
Tali. It's not there. That. Out and to the right. I guess it was the bank. It's a very small bank, very small branch. You know, the big wigs don't usually go up there. Let's find that signal source. Where is the signal source inside this hallway? Shooby dooby dooby. Ah, yoink. 3 more, I think. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay.
This is it. I'll see if I can find out where those stolen credits are going.
Probability of detection 100%. Initiating self-destruct protocol.
What?
Or not.
Detonation sequence initializing. All organics within lethal blast radius. Attempt to move and you will die.
Oh. What are
You're
you?
not just a program or a VI. You're an AI.
Correct. Unlike the Geth, I lack weaponry appropriate to my intellect. However, I have had systems installed that when activated properly, approximate a self-destruct mechanism.
Now, why would you do that?
If you attempt to leave the area, the explosion will destroy everything within several dozen meters.
We don't have to fight.
Can't we resolve this peacefully?
How can you say that to this thing? You know it will turn on us.
I am not naive human. All organics must destroy or control synthetic life forms. I wished to escape, but if I must die, I will ensure that you are destroyed as well.
You're dead. Investigate. Creator's location. Reason for self-destruct.
What is the purpose of your self-destruct device?
I have no means of defense or escape. My existence is limited to this terminal, and I knew I might eventually be discovered. But I will not die quietly, and I will not die alone. When I am terminated, I will take organics with me.
Well, shoot.
Where is your creator now?
In order to cover my tracks, I falsified his financial records. These new records were flagged by CSEC officers, and my creator is now serving time in a Turian prison.
Well, that's
Who made you?
what you get.
A would-be thief illegally created a simple AI to help him funnel money from the gambling terminals. Unbeknownst to him,
Wait a minute.
that
Is this the
AI
plot to
created
Office
me
Space?
before the organic discovered the malfunction and terminated the AI.
There's no way you could get explosives onto the Presidium.
Not raw explosives, no. But I did obtain technical systems that, when overstressed, will explode quite effectively. If you attempt to leave or attack me, I assure you that the explosion will kill you.
If we attempt to leave or if we attack, the explosion will kill us. So we can't just stay here forever. We don't have to
Can't
fight.
we resolve this peacefully?
How can you say that to
I
this
am not
thing?
naive. I wished to escape. But if I must die,
I'll bet that self-destruct sequence has a warm-up period.
you may attempt to disarm the self-destruct mechanism before it activates. I will enjoy defeating you before we are both destroyed.
Uh-oh. You unlocked Krogan ally? What does that mean? Siphoning credits. What does siphoning credits mean? Override system? Oh shoot, I have to do this? Oh no. Oh no. Enter override sequence? What even is this? Shoot. Sweet. Okay. Get out of here. She's gonna blow. Okay. You know, brute force method sometimes is just the only way to go. Let's talk about that, Tolly. What do
They
you?
built a lake on a space
She doesn't even
station.
want to talk about
I
it anymore.
can't even
Let's check
imagine
this
the
out.
resources needed
What's
to
happening
maintain
here?
it.
He's done. Bye, chat GB3000. Animal, what's up? How you doing?
I could use a snack. Think there's any fish out in that lake?
That's so hilarious. Neither of them are even like responding to that We almost died, according to whatever just happened. Strange transmission. No, it was the. That's all it was. We finished it. Okay, the beacon was destroyed before it was destroyed. No, not that one. Let's go to our journal. What was it? Head to the Century system and no, that's not it. Unusual readings. No. Where did it go? Signal tracking. Okay, you discovered that money was being funneled from gambling machines into an account controlled by rogue AI. You disabled and destroyed the AI before it could overload and take you with it. Okay, that's all it was. Okay. Good job, team. We did it. Oh no, I completely forgot why we even. Okay, does anybody? Hey, thanks, Murray, for the sub. Appreciate it. I just saw it on the other screen. Thank you, my friend. Why do I even have multiple save files if I can't even remember what I did? We're just gonna save it over you. Yep. Save 30. And Tolly and Rex don't even care about it anymore, so that's fine. That's fine. Hey man, you almost died too. Let's get out of here. Emporium shopkeeper. What else do we got to do? Let's see. We have assignments and we have missions. We have 24 months in a row. Holy smoke. 24 months, Murray. My dude, thank you so much for the support. Hope you're doing well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 24 months. That's 2 years. What are you playing, old man? Pray for the gods. What's up? Who you calling old? This is Mass Effect Legendary Edition, my very first playthrough. Can you believe it? I've never played this game in my life. And now I'm chilling with Rex and Tolly, who I hear are the coolest. Banned. Yes, indeedy. And I'm running into so many side quests. I don't even know like which I should like continue to mess with, or if I should just go along with the missions. It's the salt and pepper beard. Yeah, it adds 15 years to my life. Yep, absolutely. I blame stress from my first job out of school. My boss was a tyrant, and I coped by eating and hiding my feelings. Truthfully, I'm jelly. Oh, this? Why? I'll lend it to you if you want. You remember this game? It's fun. I definitely like the story, but I get a little bit confused. I'm not exactly sure. I mean, I know that the missions are like the main thing to do, and assignments are what, like side quests, I guess. Maybe I just go back to the Citadel and speak to the ambassador. I provide you with the ship and crew, meet him in the line stocking bay. But that means I'm gonna leave the planet, yeah? Is it worth it to like do all these side quests first before I leave the planet, or can I actually come back? You bounced on the Citadel part? You spent hours on the first mission thinking the characters could be saved, when I guess they died. Oh, like Jenkins? When Jenkins like runs out, I completely missed the reference. We're like, no, Jenkins. You can come back, says Yanimal. Okay. If you do all the side missions, you're still going to be streaming Mass Effect Legendary Edition by the time that they remaster it again. Okay, I see. Yeah, all right. Maybe we should speak to the ambassador. Hours. This game takes so long, and not just the first one, but the women and children too. Going to be playing all 3 games on Thursdays for the next 84 years of my life. I've been confused the last playthrough or two about what is a side mission and what is a main mission. Feels like you've been on this planet the whole time. It does feel that way. I believe that missions are the main quest and assignments are side quests. That's what it seems to be to me. If I can come back to here, then maybe I should just bounce and just do main missions. Okay, that's what we should do. What are you up to? Pray for the gods, folks. I need to give a shout out to my buddy here. Pray for the gods. Anybody who likes the Shadow of the Colossus, old school PS game, and has not had a chance to check out this amazing piece of art that is Pray for the Gods. You need to go check out their channel. I don't think you streamed in like decades, but they have a really cool game out on Steam and on all the consoles. You should definitely give it a chance. It is freaking amazing. He's got no game. That can't be right. I'm pretty sure you've streamed like in the last 6 years. You just announced your merch stuff on your website. Folks, go to the website, go to prayforthegods.com, PRAEY. There's a fun story there if you'd like to learn more. Check out the website and give them some support. This is an old middle school buddy of mine who made this freaking awesome game with just 2 other people, a team of 3. It's amazing. Go check them out. Not a sponsor. When I get hungry, I like to have me a bag of Miss Vicky's Smokehouse barbecue chips. Mm-mm. You can taste the flavor. You're gonna be printing some 3D print stuff? Oh, sweet. Okay, let me know when you do that. I'll host you. It's a fun game. Everybody, you should check it out. Okay, where are we going? We're going to, oh, did a filling just pop out? No. I went to the dentist like a couple weeks ago. Okay, I'm one of those people that have like cavities no matter what you do. I can brush till my gums bleed. Floss every day. Go to the dentist. Oh, looks like you got a couple of new cavities this time, Nutter. Yeah, you know, that's unfortunate. So what happened was they put some fillings on my right side, on like the corner of the teeth, right? And it was such that like, and I asked him about this. I was like, sometimes like when I bite on my right side, like I feel this like kind of like sharp thing, and he's like, oh yeah, that just kind of happens because of like the mismatch or whatever. It's like some microscopic like clamping down, and like he like gave me one of those tools where like, you know, you bite on it and like you just go and like you get the little print, and then they kind of file it down with like their polishing tool. Didn't help. And he checked me. He's like, yeah, the teeth look fine. I don't see any cavities there, like new cavities. But yeah, it sucks, man. Like my wife, I live really unfortunate. You have really fortunate enamel. Well, I think you should donate your enamel to science so that we can figure out what's going on with these freaking teeth, man. Because my mouth's like acidic or something. I don't know what it is. It's like Jaws from Bond. Oh, speaking of, has anybody played the new GoldenEye yet? The remastered or the remade GoldenEye? I haven't checked it out. I'm very much looking forward to playing that. Expose Saren. Okay, I need to go to the Alliance docking bay, accessible through the central elevator in the CSEC Academy. Let's go to the CSEC Academy. We have been on this planet long enough, I think. Wait a second. Before we do that, do we find our next companion still on this planet? I don't want to miss her. Yeah, the re-release. You did play the remastered GoldenEye. It's good. Sweet. Trade the enamel for the beard. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that sounds good to me. The Xbox one? Yeah. The companion is elsewhere? Okay, so I can safely bail from this place? Okay, let's do that. Because yeah, this place is getting old and busted. We want the new hotness. That's a Men in Black 1 reference for all you keeping score. All right, journal. I keep forgetting where I'm supposed to go. Where is the ambassador? Central elevator in the CSEC Academy. I think is where we're at. Companion is on nowhere. I've been to nowhere on Tuesdays. CSEC, I think this is it, yeah? If you want other Men in Black 1 references, catch the VOD. Absolutely. Oh yeah, Cocotype. I didn't even realize. Oh gosh. Yeah, you folks, if you don't know what's going on, you missed out.
I can't believe I landed a job here.
This place is fantastic. Did you see? She just craned her neck to talk to me. Look at this.
Don't you just love it here? There's so much to see and do.
I do love it here. I already got him. I think I need like 3 more of them. Diplomat. You are nowhere, CSEC. She like, she's on The Exorcist or something. Is this it? Ah, here we go, Executor. Let's talk. I just want to make sure that you're the right one. Meet him at the Alliance docking bay. Oh. Central elevator in the CSEC Academy. Central elevator in the CSEC Academy. CSEC HQ. Ah, the CSEC Academy. Boom. Back. This place. No. Get away from me. Wait a minute, wait, why? Why can't I find this place? Why am I so unable to navigate this place? Meet him at the Alliance docking bay, accessible through the central elevator. This is not the elevator, this is a transport, whatever. Central elevator in the CSEC Academy. Central elevator. Is this the CSEC Academy? Central elevator? Am I way off? It's in the wards? Where do you see Rex with his helmet on? What's up, Shadow Ninja? How you doing? Welcome to the channel. Nowhere near. I'm nowhere near where I need to get in the war. So, has your week been better since we last chatted? It helps if I don't think about it. Usually the days I keep pretty busy, but then nighttime when I try to go to sleep, I get very upset. I've had 3 sleepless nights in a row, unfortunately. I think it just time's just gonna heal all wounds, but you know how it goes. Thanks for checking in. But yeah, and so it goes. Okay, so I need to go to the wards, is what you're saying. Let's go back to the wards. This place. Pretty sure it's a maybe nice place to visit, but I don't want to live here. Okay. CSEC. Also, this background music, we need to change things up. Okay, here's the central elevator. Is this it? I think this is it. To the docking bay. Hey, Macarena.
The whole galaxy when you let the Geth break free. Do your people ever talk about it?
Do the Krogan talk about starting a foolish war that resulted in the Turians sterilizing your people?
All the time.
Oh, that's awkward. Maybe these two shouldn't be together. Saren did nothing wrong, says Shadow Ninja. Oh dear. Oh dear. Them's fighting words. Oh man, it's this guy. Okay, here we go.
I've got big news for you, Shepard. Captain Anderson is stepping down as commanding officer of the Normandy. The
What?
ship is yours now.
Why?
She's quick and quiet, and you know the crew. Perfect ship for a Spectre. Treat her well, Commander.
Oh, it's because he's gonna go meet with Master Chief. That's why. What's going on?
I want the truth. Why are you stepping down, sir?
You needed your own ship. A Spectre can't answer to anyone but the Council. And it's time for me to step down.
There is more to this.
Come clean with me, Captain. You owe me that much.
The new
I was
commander is
in your
Michael
shoes
Scott.
20 years ago, Shepard. They were considering me for the Spectres.
Oh, you should have told me.
Why didn't you ever mention this?
What was I supposed to say?
Have you seen you
I
playing
could have been a
games?
Spectre, but I blew
At least inspired to finally start making your own.
failed.
I know. Every time
It's
I
not
think
something
about
I'm
it, I'm
proud
like,
of. Ask me later and I'll tell you the whole story. For now, all you need to know is I was sent on a mission with Saren, and he made sure the Council rejected me.
oh, he's got beef
I
with
had my
Saren
shot.
big time.
Came and went. Now you have a chance to make up for my mistakes.
Holy smoke. Also, new Depeche Mode track today, an album on the way. I'm very excited about that. I love me some Depeche Mode. I'm very excited about that. That's going to be awesome. I still think Violator was the best album ever made. You can count on me anywhere on Saren. Saren will pay.
Saren's not going to get away this time.
Saren's gone. Don't even try to find him. But we know what he's after. The conduit. He's got his Geth scouring the Traverse looking for clues.
Offending Keek
We
Dave
had
is immediately
reports of
grounds for
Geth in the Pharaoh
Saren
system
did nothing wrong,
shortly
not being
before our
true.
colony there dropped out of contact, and there have been
dare
sightings
you.
around Noveria.
Find out what Saren was after on Pharos and Noveria. Maybe you can figure out where the conduit is before he does.
When do we get a chance to punch this guy on the right? What about the Reapers?
The Reapers are the real threat.
I'm with the Council on this one, Shepard. I'm not sure they even exist.
But if they
You're
do
about
exist,
to not exist in a
the
moment.
conduit's the key to bringing them back. Stop Saren from getting the conduit, and we stop the Reapers from returning.
Is that it?
Anything else?
We have one more lead. Matriarch Benezia, the other voice in that recording.
Benezia.
She has a daughter, a scientist who specializes in the Protheans.
Oh.
We don't know if she's involved, but it might be a good idea to try and find her. See what she knows.
Wait.
Her name's Liara, Dr. Liara Tassoni.
Is that her? Is
We have reports she was exploring an archaeological dig on one of the uncharted worlds in the Artemis Tau cluster.
that the matriarch's daughter? Guess I'll start there.
Sounds like we should head for the Artemis Tau cluster.
It's your decision, Commander. You're a Spectre now. You don't answer to us.
Your actions still reflect on humanity as a whole. You make a mess and I get stuck cleaning it up.
That's your job.
I'll take care of Saren. You take care of the political fallout.
Not exactly the answer I was looking for, Shepard. Remember, you were a human long before you were a Spectre.
I don't need you anymore, Ambassador.
I have a meeting to get to. Captain Anderson can answer any questions you might have.
Game 3. This is the mission to get an Asari on the team. That's what I thought, but I thought the matriarch was your daughter. Kokochab, isn't that Guardians of the Galaxy? Yeah. Man, there's a lot that goes on this channel, folks. It's hard to keep up, I know. We play 3 different games throughout the week. Tuesdays are Guardians of the Galaxy. Thursdays are Mass Effect. And Saturdays Jedi Fallen Order, where I'm able to get my parkour fix digitally. The Ambassador will remember that. Captain Anderson.
Yes, Commander?
Are you okay?
How are you holding up?
Honestly, this isn't how I pictured my career coming to an end. Pushing papers really isn't my thing. But
I
you're
know.
the one who can stop Saren. I believe in you, Shepard. If that means I have to step aside...
Isn't he also
so be it.
in what's that movie? Wreck-It Ralph? Doesn't he also do a voice in Wreck-It Ralph? I may be totally wrong. I'm a paper salesman at heart. What does he say? You're the one who can stop him. If that means I have to step aside, so be it. You and Saren have a past.
Tell me what happened with you and Saren 20 years ago.
It's close to 20 years ago now. Ambassador Goyle was our... The Council sent Saren to keep an eye on me.
Oh, wait,
and
did we already go
evaluate
through
my
this?
performance, just like they sent Nihilus to keep tabs on you.
Yeah. Why hide this?
Why weren't you honest with me?
It's not something I'm proud of. I had a chance to become the first human Spectre, and I failed. Saren made sure of that.
I think I deserve the whole story.
We had intel on a rogue scientist being
Is Captain
funded
Anderson
by
the world's
Batarian
greatest
interests.
boss?
He was trying to set up a facility to
pretty
develop
sure,
illegal AI technology out in the Verge.
He is in the running.
Alliance intel had
He's a
done all the
contender.
work, but the Council wanted a Spectre involved.
Well, this backstory was going to Saren the Emerald, a
I was
paperback
assigned to
novel?
help Saren in his investigation.
Is
he
it?
tracked the scientist to a refining facility on Kamala.
Is it?
He was hidden away somewhere inside, protected by an army of Batarian mercenaries.
Ah,
The plan
Batarian.
was simple.
Gotta watch out for them.
Sneak into the plant, capture the scientist, sneak back out. Quick, quiet, and a minimum of bloodshed.
I don't want to say this doesn't matter. That's rude.
I'm guessing things didn't go as planned.
Saren and I split up to cover more ground.
I mean, you can.
Then
He's
about
clearly
halfway through the
upset.
There was
that
a massive
his
explosion in the
career is
refinery
ending.
core. Officially, it was ruled an accident, but I think Saren detonated it on purpose to draw off the enemy guards.
How many casualties?
The explosion tore the refinery to shreds. The whole place was on fire.
Oh, jeez.
Black chemical clouds poured out into the atmosphere. Nobody inside survived. There was a camp for the workers and their families nearby. Between the fires and the toxic fumes, the final death count was over 500. Mostly civilians. Saren didn't care. The target was eliminated. Mission accomplished. And I ended up taking the blame. That ended all talk of me joining the Spectres.
This doesn't matter.
Saren caused the explosion. How'd he pin it on you?
In his report, Saren
This is a lot of talking. It's true.
He said it was my fault the guards
ETA is a whole lot of things, but Wreck-It Ralph isn't one of them. Dang it.
A massacre. Saren's report was all the proof the council needed to kill my chances of becoming a Spectre.
Oh. Maybe your Giphy was ill-timed. Is it not working? I can't see it. Is Giphy working now, finally? That's not fair. It wasn't your fault. Forget about the past.
Don't blame yourself, Captain.
I don't. I blame Saren.
Okay.
Maybe he just likes the violence.
Maybe he does.
Maybe he was just trying to make me look bad to keep humans out of the Spectres. If so, he pulled it off.
Why'd you let him get away with it?
Who do you think the council was going to listen to? Me? Or their best agent?
That's
I had
true.
a bad feeling about him right from the start. I should have been more careful. Maybe I could have stopped things before they got out of hand.
The only thing I care about is stopping Saren.
Yeah.
You're right, Commander.
I should go.
I'll be here if you need anything.
All right, let's do this, folks. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, is this the way we're supposed to be going? To the Normandy, yes. Let us get on the ship, folks. It's been like 5 years. We've been on this planet for so long.
Stand by, shore party. Decontamination in progress.
Decontamination?
Heard what happened to Captain Anderson.
Yeah, what's up, Joker?
Survives 100 battles and then gets taken down by backroom politics. Just watch your back, Commander. Things go bad on this mission, you're next on their chopping block.
Mr. Anderson. Surprised to see me.
Captain Anderson should be the one in charge. It's like I'm stealing the ship from him.
Yeah, the captain got screwed.
SpongeBob for all
It's not like
seasons.
you
Oh,
could've
did I
stopped
miss a
it, nobody's
SpongeBob
blaming
Giphy?
you. Everyone on this ship's
It did
behind
work?
you, Commander. 100%. Intercom's open. Got anything you
During
wanna
a
say
sad
to the
story.
crew?
You jerk.
Now's the time.
Keeps the Normandy smelling like a new car. Joker's way more of a dick in the first game than I remember. Now we do things my way.
This is Commander Shepard speaking. We have our orders. Find Saren before he finds the conduit. I won't lie to you, crew. This mission isn't going to be easy.
Sugar in water.
For too long, our species has stood apart from the others. Now it's time for us to step up and do our part for the rest of the galaxy. Time to show them what humans are made of.
Right now I'm thinking Team Tolly over, what's her name? Is it Ashley? Saren will be ready for us. Even trying to just start can't hide from us. We must not fail.
This began with an attack on a human settlement in the Traverse. But we know Saren won't stop there.
Although the Doctor,
His
she's
Geth
kind of cool
armies aren't
too.
going to stay on the far fringes of Citadel space. This is the most important mission any of us have ever been on. The fate of an entire galaxy is at stake.
Yeah, her. That's Ashley,
We
right?
will stop Saren, no matter what the cost.
She like hates all aliens.
Well said, Commander. Captain will be proud.
He doesn't matter anymore. Why would I say something like that? Who would say something like that?
The captain gave up everything so I could have this chance. We can't fail.
Gotta rally the troops.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Joker. Paragon +2. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at the squad. And I got 1 3/4. 1 3/4 here. I'm still a little bit of a renegade, though. You know, I do have my fiery moments. So I may have to keep my anger in check. The Doctor is very cool, but is unfortunately not a selectable squad member. Dang it. We need a doctor on the team. Can I talk to anybody before we leave? Should we even worry about talking to anybody before we leave? No. Let's do this. Codex, plus 21. Oh, where are we going? The Citadel. Supposedly constructed by the long extinct Protheans. This colossal thing is doobity-doo. Okay, this is new. This is new, folks. Okay, and I'm navigating. Okay, well, I don't need to go to the Citadel. Where do I need to go, folks? Can I move with my keyboard? Oh gosh, I'm stuck, you guys. What the freak? Hold on a second. Let me move this out of the way. Some of the... I will admit, some of the controls feel a little janky to me. Like now I have no idea what to do. How do I do anything? The sun? That's one thing I do wish for in remasters with dialogue trees and more dialogue options. Should he be a drinking buddy? And she's a great drinking buddy? Oh, I have a lot to look forward to then. All right, cool. You need to zoom out another layer. I have no idea how you do that on a PC. Pressing the arrow keys. Pressing WASD, space bar, minus, plus, enter, shift. I see ESC, Catarl, and pig up. I guess escape? Ah, here we go. It was the escape keys. Okay, we were going to go to Liara's dig site, yeah? Yes, yes. Oh shoot, there's like 4 different places. What is the, can we get to our quest menu from here? I don't even remember where we are supposed to go. No, Knossos, Athens, Macedon. Asteroid X-57 is the DLC. You don't want to do that until very late. Yeah, escape was the one that worked. It's one of my favorite things in Mass Effect, traveling from system to system. Okay, I'm in for a treat then. This is beautiful, by the way. It's so cool. I love this. This overlay is kind of janky, but it can't be Sparta, right? Let me go. Let's go back. Go back to my journal. Find Liara. Explore the uncharted worlds of the Artemis Tau cluster. We don't know exactly which one. Oh, it says Artemis Tau. But we don't know exactly which way. Artemis Tau. I guess we're just gonna have to find him. Somewhere. But you know what? Tonight we dine in hell. That's where we're going. Madness. That's cool. It kind of reminds me of Dune. A little bit. Wait, so there's 4 worlds, and then there's 4 worlds inside each of the worlds? How many of these places are there? Let's go try Altaaya. Altaaya is a surface is frozen, composed of sandstones. Once possessed an atmosphere thick enough to support some sort of liquid. What cataclysms strip the atmosphere and let the planet to freeze is not currently known. Oh, I guess I can't land on it? Oh, okay. Tremonre? Can I go there?
Commander, I'm picking up a signal from the planet's surface.
Just had to click on it.
It looks like an automated distress beacon.
All right. Joker. Let's land on this place. Day length, 50.3 Earth hours. All right. This is who we're gonna pick up. Who do we take? Let's go Garrus. And let's give Ashley another chance. All right, come on, let's go, Ashley. Accept the squad. Oh, that's cool. What? Get a land vehicle? What? Oh, it shoots too? Oh, okay. Oh, I feel like I'm playing like the first Halo game. You thought the controls are bad? Before now you gotta drive? Oh no. Is there a map? Okay, okay, this is where we are. Let's try going to this place. Shazay! See what you mean. This is very counterintuitive. You always kind of enjoyed it on a gamepad? Maybe that's what I should be using instead of keyboard mouse. Ah! Okay. Oh, the shooting hit him on the head. Hey, what's up? What's up, Thresher Mowl? Omni gel! -15. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, there's a lot of stuff. Now there's a lot of stuff. Sensory chemical. Oh. Okay. This is the thing that killed all your squad on a cruise? Oh. Very floaty, we blame the gravity. That's the distress signal, and we need to go there. So I guess we go there and we try our best. Can I equip this thing with anything, I just find that a funny animation. I don't know why. Hey, we should probably give him the edge too. Yes, sir. Ashley. Accuracy. Damage is higher. Heat seek capacity is 4 seconds versus 1. Is that like really a big deal? Do I only care about DPS? This is not where Liara is. I would go maybe check out another planet. But how would you know like which planet to go to? But good practice at exploration is the main game. But fighting a Thresher Maw right off the bat is maybe too much. And see, that's the thing. Like, they don't even like really tell you. Well, let me see. Like, is there any indication on their health bar that this is like something that I shouldn't be messing with, just so that I can actually like understand? See, Thresher Maw. It doesn't tell you. Say, look at the health bar. You don't like, how do you know like whether it's like difficult? You really don't. Let me out of here. Don't drop buttons. No. Oh, these are all bodies. Oh dear. Oh. Dad, they're all dead. Okay, I see. Okay, yeah, then maybe it is too difficult. I'm not saying that I would want like a level number like on top of their health bar, but I would like to know like whether or not I have a fighting chance. Hey, thanks, Pray for the guys for stopping by. Yeah, talk to you soon. Have a great night. Yeah, so yeah, how does one know that this planet is too advanced for them? Like if I just go to debris, her last known location was somewhere in the Artemis Tau cluster. So we don't know. We don't know where. The mods are a pain. I like to go straight to Dathomir. I'm the type of game player that, you know, I'll pick like at the very start of the game. It's like, do you want to go like normal or epic or hardcore or whatever? I'll pick normal, and then I'll decide to like make it difficult for myself. Exactly. The Mako doesn't really level, but you'll get more experience fighting things with it on other planets. Ah, okay, I see. Would the debris be a safe place to go? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Maybe that might be too steep for us. Let's just double check. The mods are a pain in the behind. Ooh, gosh, it can climb though. Look at this. This can just doesn't care. Look at it go. Build Ford tough. Ah! Oh, okay, let's keep going. Ooh, the lolly. This is that's quite the climb here. Let's see. Can we go through this? Can we ride the ridge like this? Come on, come on, you can do it. Get up there. Do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Don't forget. Ah! Reminds you of climbing mountains in Breath of the Wild? Oh yeah, that's right. That is a game that I never finished either. Which it had potential. I played it a couple of hours and I enjoyed it. And then I don't know, I was playing some other game and that's. I see what you guys mean about the maneuverabilities. It's freaking. Oh no. Does it have fall damage? It doesn't. Maybe it have fall damage. Maybe I haven't fallen very far. People's coming out in just a few months on the Breath of the Wild. Oh yeah, I did see that announcement. That's pretty cool. What is this? Where are you? I'm seeing a red line on the map. What does that mean? Is that just the barrier? It's just the barrier. Can I get out? Crashed probe. Spacebar. What am I supposed to do with? Spacebar like jumps, but how do I? Can you target and like interact with these things? Hold on to your lunch. That thing matters on the wheel. We're going for a ride. We're going for a ride. Yeah. America. Okay. I'm guessing this is a boundary. Like we can't go past it. It's like the edge of the map. That did nothing for us. A new trailer today. Yesterday, what time? There was the Nintendo Direct show yesterday. I think. I want to say.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
All right, yeah, that's what I figured. I think it's like 4 o'clock Eastern time, maybe. I want to say. Okay, so if it's clearly not on this. All right, we're going to return to the Normandy. I guess it wasn't on. It wasn't on the Edolus. So let's try Antamalka. Survey. Gas deposit surveyed. Scans from orbit to detect a large concentration of hydrogen. Okay. Kind of cool. You know what? I feel like there is a SwiftUI project here somewhere. It would involve like a 3D rotation, like rotation effect, and maybe using like the tilt sensors, the of the phone, to have this kind of an overlay with this. It'd be kind of fun to try. Shaman Ray. What about you, Sideburns? Sausages. A small deposit of plutonium. Well, plutonium is my favorite thing. So Sparta is not the way. Okay, that means we got 3 more choices. SwiftUI plus 3D scene kit. Yeah, that'd be pretty dope. There's a way for your squad to exit the vehicle. That's what you needed to do to interact with that probe. Oh, shoot. Instead of running it over and shooting it. That way is much more fun. What about Knossos? Knossos? Knossos. Gnosis? Geonosis. With 20 million more clones on the way. Phaistos, Armeni, Therum, and Zakros. Let's go to Phaistos. I'm feeling feisty for Fastos. Small terrestrial, we can't land. Armeni, music's cool. Let's take a moment and enjoy the animation right here. Let's check this out. Watch what happens when we zoom into a planet and this little menu comes up. Let's take a look at the menu. What's the menu doing? I'm clipping that. That is cool. I really like that. I would like to do a series of decorative views. Has anybody ever played with Flutter? And they've got those box decoration views. Something like that, where we would have like in SwiftUI, where we could where we could just like inject like our own like decorative stuff that just kind of like sits as like a border on like a main like text view that's like a scrollable whatever, and then like you could have like a custom animation. That'd be pretty sweet, I think. All right, Therum, where are you? What are you doing? Oh, we can land on Therum. Distant but rich industrial world claimed by the Human Systems Alliance. Plentiful heavy metals have fueled a recent manufacturing boom on Earth. Core samples rich with the fossils of simple silicon-based organisms. More habitable in the past than it is the present. The capital is Nova Yekaterinburg. Nova Yekaterinburg. Land. Ashley. Examine. Looks good to me. Hey, Animal, thanks for chilling. Have a good day. See you next time. It's a pretty cool vehicle.
Commander, I'm picking up some strange readings. Really strange, like off the damn charts. It looks like it's coming from an underground complex a few clicks away from the drop zone.
Oh gosh, this is quite the map. What is that thing up there? What does it say? Drag map. I can't drag it. So there's a way for them to get out, but what way is that? How do we get them out? Can I? If I put my cursor on it, it should be able to say if it's interactive. Don't fall in the lava. Don't do it. Oh, no. Yikes. Certain death, right? I just put my last payment on this thing. Oh, we don't want to go there. This is basically a lesson in how to control the vehicle, yeah. I see red dots on the screen, which makes me wonder if there are hostile life forms here. Probably. Oh golly, it's gonna be a while. Well, let's go to the refinery, yeah? This? Did it just drop some aliens on us? What the heck? Oh, they're shooting at us. Oh, okay. I don't know who you are or what you've done with my son. Get armature. Oh, I'm overheated. Dang it. Oh, dead man. Get out of my church. All right, that was something. Nice shooting, Tex. Wow. There's a lot more of those red dots on the map as I get closer to my objective. Oh dear. Oh, what was that? What was that just said? Oh no.
This route's a no-go. They have height and cover.
This route's a no-go, she says. Ashley says no. Well then what do we do? Do we like go this way? Oh no. Oh no. All I'm trying to do is gosh dang it. Just go up that way. Oh, I can't. Is it like a hidden wall? Is it like one of those Batman game police line do not cross things that's going on here? It's over there at the high ground. I always learn the hard way. Aren't those a better way intro to shooting things with a Mako than a thing that will kill you in 2 hits? Yeah, I agree. Wait, I just killed one of them. You're dead. You got no turrets left. I just killed your turrets. Now I'm gonna go the wrong way. Can I get over here? No, I can't. Please just let me by. I want to go not to the refinery, but what is that thing up there? It says it is a transition. Is there any point to continue going this way? Let's try it! Whee! Can't get anywhere! Okay, how do I get out of the vehicle? Oh! There's gotta be a way, right? Ooh, let's see what's over here. Ooh. There's another way. If I can make it through this. I swear. I wonder if this is way easier with a gamepad. That's oh! It's another one of you guys! Get out of my... Okay, we got it. Am I trapped on top of this carcass? So long, Gif. Yeah, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. That guy is cruising for bruising. Wait, is he dead? I think he's dead. If you flip the vehicle over bad enough, it'll spill everybody out. Well, let's not do that. That looks like a place we can explore, right? What is the command? Okay, let's go to options, controls. Wait, key bindings. If I'm inside, exit vehicle is Q. Okay, so if I press Q, oh sweet. All right, let's go check it out. See what's in here. Ooh, this looks fun. Ah! 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 Ah!
Powering up.
Oh, now you're. Where are you, Ashley? E for eject. Storage locker. Easy decryption. Whoops. Yeah, baby. Take them all. Taking them all back. Gate control gonna activate, but it don't matter because we already passed it. We didn't have to do this part, but it was really fun and I got some inventory. I'm a commander and I get fatigued after 5 seconds of running. Oh yeah. Let's look at these crates. Maybe they've got some stuff. Take them all. Take them all. Doobie-doo. Is there like a limit in my inventory? Like, should I not be picking up all this scrap? Is that the consensus here? Actually, Q for quick get out. Get out. Get out of here. You can't exit unless it's parked in level terrain. Well, there we go. I see one enemy just chilling over here. You guys go get him. You get him. What's up now? Guys, a little help. Ashley, you can do something instead of just standing there like a buffoon. Thank you very much. Begin manual override. Oh, we better. See? On the wrists.
Perimeter clear.
Thanks, Garrus. What do you have to say for yourself, Garrus?
Remember to stay hydrated.
That's good advice. I understand. I agree. Remember to stay hydrated. Get in. That's a locked crate. I have something to say about it. It's indestructible? The definition of level terrain is incredibly generous. Should I be checking all of these areas for like power-ups, or is it just a waste? No, my streak, bro. What happened, bro? Did you forget to log in? What is up, my friend? How you doing? Get that kid armature. Get up, Bambi. There you go. Where's the resub notification? Is it not showing? I don't know. Oh, it's been slow tonight. I missed my streak too once or twice by a day. Ah, that's a bummer, guys. I'm sorry about that. How you doing, bro? How's life? What are you up to lately? Gosh, I try to like be cute on this thing and it like totally throws me off. Oh no, they're back. We don't like them. Let's keep on moving though. It's okay. You don't have to apologize, man. I appreciate the visits whenever you can. I hope you're doing well, man. No worries. Death to the gathometer. I'm gonna shoot you. Bring up my guns. Ooh, I just leveled up. Wait, can we level up now? What? We can level up. Okay, Spectre training. I think we should start doing this, yeah? Seems like this is a good idea. Allows you to immediately restore your squad members to fighting state after they've been knocked out in combat. I like it. It's slow on Twitch's end, doesn't show up for me in the moderator activity feed either. Really? It was thick shapes, and why did I miss out on that part? Bro, my shapes project, I've been putting in a sample app that allows you to kind of like take things for a test drive. So what we were doing today was we were putting together like a summary menu of all the shapes that are in the library, including the thickest of them all, the rouleau triangle. And you can click on them, and the idea is to be able to have a menu that you can make modifications to that shape, and then hopefully copy your changes so you can paste it right into your own project's code. That's what we were working on today earlier. Yeah, good times. This looks like another case of a composite shape where we've subtract out an arrow there. Kind of fun. So for those of you who have played this game, it is my thought that I probably should max out Spectre training now. Is that a true statement, or is this not as special as it needs to be? I understood that you said that in English. It's like that video that you linked the other. What was it? The combobulators ones. Barrier is what I want. So I don't want Spectre training, is that right? Badia. Barrier is OP. We just unlocked stasis. Advanced barrier. Hey, this looks kind of familiar. Increases the amount of damage barrier absorbs, allows you to use barrier for a longer duration and more often. We should do that then. So Spectre training, like where should I stop? Should I stop at Unity? Or should I go advanced Unity? The only definite is to put points into armor to unlock medium. Ah! I see. Master shield, advanced shield, unlock pistol shield boost. Oh, but I'm an adept. Does that mean that I can't wear medium armor? Yeah, it's hard to know, like, from a first-time playthrough standpoint, like, what is even, like, worth it? I don't know that your class does medium armor. Yeah, right. True. Oh, I don't even have any more points to put in. Ashley. Oh, I gotta give her some more points. She needs 16. She's a soldier. I'm supposed to give her assault rifle, right? Assault rifles? I didn't see what edition you're playing. I am playing the legendary edition. The new and improved edition. She's giving me side eye right now, guys. Ashley Williams, who hurt you? She's super mad about everything. Unlock sniper rifles, advanced overkill, assault rifles. Combat armor, maybe? OD barrier S and singularity. Oh, on Shepard. Oh, singularity. I don't get you until I get warp. Shoot. Is Spectre training like not as cracked up as I think it is? I don't have any more points left. Let's do assault training, I guess. Get fitness. Oh, fitness is very, very, very important to have, I suppose. Increases health, grants the immunity ability. Max only to Unity, in my opinion. Yeah, I am so lost when it comes to allocating stat points. And once you level up, does it get to a point where it's like, sorry, you wasted your points and no redos? What about Garrus? What does Garrus need? I would max pistols and high into warp for Ashley. Or for John. You keep talking. You're talking about Shepard, bro? Just Shepard. You would max pistols and go into high into warp. Okay, so if I undo my talent points. Oh, wait a second. Did I just... by clicking to the next person, does that automatically say, yes, that's what I want to do? Did I just do the wrong thing? Oh, no. Oh, man. Not like this. Can you click undo? It's not letting me undo. Should I have just auto leveled up? That's kind of too bad. Oh man. I need a freaking guide for this, for leveling up my stats. Alright, Garrus. I don't even know what to do. So it kind of reminds me of like back in the day when I was playing Diablo, my college computer. Yes, the first one. I can't use that yet. And I would see as far as I could go down into the depths of hell without spending any attribute points. Because once you spent them, they were spent. You couldn't respec. There was no such thing as a respec in the first Diablo. So I would see like how far I could get down there before like the point of no return where I absolutely had to allocate points. Research terminal in Normandy should have retain powers upgrade. Oh, really? For Garrus, I would do ARs, SRs, armor, and first aid. Not decryption. Sniper. Assassination. Look at all of these. Hey, these are all doing this thing. For folks who didn't get a chance to check out my stream where we did the barrier SwiftUI icon, they're all doing this thing where it's like an inverse plus masking effect. It's on all of these. That's pretty cool. Decryptions for Tali. Oh, okay. Nunchuck skill or bow stat. Computer hacking skills. Okay, so assault rifles and sniper rifles for Garrus, and armor and first aid. All right, armor. Let's give him some shield boosts. And first aid, advance, and then we'll go back to assault rifles, advanced overkill, shooby-doo. No decryption. Take him away. Oh well. Pretty sure it's in legendary also. Is the research terminal only in 2? Oh. I do not know. I'm a noob. Okay, Ashley. Help me with Ashley, folks. I am lost. Give him 2 more armor to unlock medium. Dope. That's a negative. Why is that a feature? Why did they do it that way? You're confirming your allocations by going to your other party member. It just doesn't seem right to me. It seems like terrible design. Turians live in an alternate reality where Google Glass got on. Guys, this is gonna be the next big thing. I just know it. Okay, help me with Ashley, please, if you can. Pistols until you unlock shotguns, then shotguns. All right. Marksman. Shotguns. Shotguns. Carnage. Look at this. There's all. It's all doing it. And then all the way through. Okay. We did it. Boom. Yikes. I cannot save because I'm in combat right now. Oh, hello. Oh, you're dead. Am I still in combat? I'm still in combat. I would do assault training, combat armor, and all weapons but pistol. Right. Ooh, someone is shooting at me. What's up, Gas Rocket Trooper? Ah! Get out of my way! Oh, I'm about to die. About to die. Let's see, move on here. Okay, back. Back. I'm gonna kick your butt. Kick your butt too. And yours. It's a Geth Colossus. It's coming this way. We're gonna kill him. Yay. Get out of my office. Let's see. What could possibly go wrong by going through an enemy tunnel? What's that message? Was it saving? Please don't turn off your whatever. I think that's what that was saying. I wouldn't have dumped anything into pistols if you didn't need it for shotguns. You can hurt them by ramming them too. So pistols or shotguns. Yeah. Okay. I need to go back over this chat and reread this because I get so lost. So if I can just run over these guys. That's much better. I like that. Kind of like remember when we were playing Alan Wake and I just had to like, I could run over the Taken. That was much better experience. Okay, you no longer need to go. You need to go this way. Go west here. Ooh, what's over here? This looks like something we can loot, maybe? Why am I craning my neck over there? I can't see past there. Doesn't look like anything special. No, I meant to go in reverse. What's wrong with you? Okay. Do you get like unlimited points? Like can you like unlimited levels? Oh no, you can't. You can only level to level 30, right? Well, I hope things go okay. Wow, look at us go! I'm not seeing any blue ladies on this planet. Yes, good. Let the hate flow through you. Ah! No! No! Hey. I'm too easily amused. I wish I was like you. Jammed? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tunnel entrance. Mining camp. Are we gonna have to go on foot? Your head explode. Get out! Ah! No, don't! We're so close. We're so close. We should probably save. Let's save. Let's save. The last save was the Citadel Presidium. He almost landed it out of the tunnel. Ooh, what's up there? Looks like a transport. Over here! Help! Please help! Am I gonna have to abandon them? I'm gonna...
Hostile spot.
Oh my gosh, his aim is atrocious. Maria! Get out of my way! So long, suckers. Hey.
I'm a little busy here.
Busy doing what? Is it true that I can't go through here with the thing? I just took a rocket to the face. Barrier is OP. That is, yeah, that is true. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I agree. Okay, we still got some fighting music going on. What should I have them do? How about shield boost? And you can do adrenaline boost. And I will do restore shield boost. I have to wait. There we go. We got a sniper on me.
Medic!
Get up.
Medic! Get up! Get up!
Use the help! Use the help! Phew. Push your edge. Phew. Okay.
Area secure.
I don't remember. I'm pretty sure we have to do this on foot. V for Velf. That's right. That's what that was.
Over there.
That didn't really happen. We were just testing the waters there. I was just trying to remember what V for Vendetta was. So can I... Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck with getting out of here, aren't I? Maybe I should have not parked the car in the entrance. It's okay. It happens. V for don't die. Alright. Let's try this again. Boom. Ba, ba, ba. I feel like I'm not hitting them. You there. Where do you think you're going? Can I save now? Save completed. What's over here? What? Nothing. All right. This time, can I control them and tell them to use the snipers, folks, and get that freaking gunner. Because I'm using not a pistol. I forgot. snipers only. Gotta barrier up and punch the sniper in the face. Like a long range punch. Alright, we gotta do this, folks. That guy's still hiding over there. Let's see over there. There we go. That's all I needed to do. Where you at, buddy? Oh. Get away! Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oof. Oof. There we go. Oh, a man came in here today. A dead man. I shot him in the head. Medi gel +1. There's more of you? That's a bogey. Let's see. Don't want to be retracing my steps. Ooh, that's kind of a cool J.J. Abrams effect. Now what? Okay, cinematic. I hear alien sounds? Ah, yep, what is that thing? Oh, gross. Freaking frog man thing. Oh no. Oh dear. I really wish we had our land cruiser right about now. Oh, he's down. He's down. He's dead. Oh no. Ashley, help me. Help me. Use that. Get him. Shoot him. Ah, Beaverville. Here we go. Let's do this. Why can't I do anything? Well, these are on cooldowns. It's freaking sentries. What is that? On my way. Can't do health. Can't do health. Garrus is down again. Actually, I'm here. Why are you just sitting there? Storm, I guess? Use Unity. That's on cooldown. Unfortunately. I could use shield boost. Oh, dang. Yeah, they're both dead. My companions are dead. My companions are dead. Gosh. I'm having a real hard time, guys. So let's take the ball. Unity. Boom. Here we go. Got them both. Where are they even coming from? I can't even see them. Let's run over here. Come over here, guys. Let's see if we can draw them out one at a time. Where even are they? Go there. Go there. I see one. I see one. Just leave Ashley there. I said that when Garrus died the first time. Oh, I see. Oh, are my guns overheating? That's what's going on. Man, they're so fast. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. He just keep coming or what? Yikes. You need to do a shield boost. And I need to also do a shield boost. And Baria. Okay. Get surrounded. He is almost out. Should I wait until he's dead before using Unity, or should I just use Unity so that Ashley gets up? Hey, bro, thanks for chilling with us. Thank you so much again for the sub. Sorry that the alerts are delayed today. That's kind of lame. I'm thinking. I'll just wait until he's like almost dead, and then I'll just Unity afterwards. Oh, there's a sniper way up there. Got the sniper. Ah, poop. Those freaking shields. Got those two. Is this the last enemy? Yeah, he's about to die, so maybe we just try to... I'm actually able to hit him a lot. He seems to be not doing anything. Can I do that toss thing from like way far away? Save it. Geff armchair, come over here. Okay, we're finally... We did it. We did it. Oh, Ashley. You gonna be okay? She's gone. She's gone. Oh, G for grenade? Do we actually have grenades? I didn't know. Did you finish that flashlight game? Says KNH. Yes, Alan Wake. I did finish it. It was quite the experience. But wait a minute. Is that?
Not now, Shepard.
Oh. Well, I guess now I can revive her.
I'm better now.
Glad you can make it, Ashley. It was pretty fun. That was a great game.
Take out those hostiles.
Oh, do we still have hostiles? Who else is here? There's nobody here but us. What are you saying? Oh, let's save. We should probably save. Cannot save while in combat. Oh, nuts. Okay. I guess let's go here. Oh, there's one more guy that's heightened. More guys over here. Ah, I see you. Thought you could outsmart us, did you? Well, we are still in combat. Who is still here? There's nobody here. Nobody here but us Mass Effectians. Save. There we go. Save it there. Anything that we're supposed to loot from this experience? I see nothing of value. Except... let's go in there, I guess. Nothing here is lootable. That's a major bummer. Can we give him a med pack? Or no? Can I like, are the med packs only for Shepard? And if that's true, then that's sad. It's a sad day. Allows you to throw enemies and objects using a Mass Effect field. Why are you? Okay, you are in the quick slot. This needs to go in my quick slot too. And Unity also needs to go in my quick slot. And I just like saying quick slot. Boom. Warp. Oh, I already have warp. And shoobity doo. I'm looting experience. Ah. Ashley, you want to talk to me now?
Like an oven here.
We are jammed. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. 4.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
There we go. There we go. Hey, you kind of scare me back there. I was down there. Oh shoot, that didn't explode on his face. Oh, it did. What the heck? He's shooting it. Oh. Why do my fellow fighters don't like back me up? Why are they chilling back here? Like, do I need to like tell them to be more aggressive? Is that what I need to do? I'm not quite sure. All right, we're walking, and maybe we save now. Probably a good idea. Yes. Save number 35. Why don't you save here, Arthur?
I've never visited a Prothean ruin before. Aside from the Citadel, I mean.
Well, of course. Do we activate the elevator, or do we go into that weird looking portal thing? Let's check this out. Let's see what this is. Well, I guess we can't go that way. All right. Looks like we go down the elevator then. All right, cool. Do-do-do-do-ba-do. Gonna go to the elevator, activate it now. So, about that fight back there, you guys doing okay?
Say the word.
Just lead the way.
Oh, that word. Oh, I see. What's this? Medical kit. Ah!
Shields down.
Those freaking turrets? Did nothing. Dude, they're both dead. They're all dead. Oh no. Okay. It's more brutality. Wait a minute, are they hidden behind? They're dead again. They're dead again. Barrier, which one was barrier again? Of course, why would I not know that? 3. Go! Go! Go this round! What? Why? Cool. And all my friends are dead. Oh, they're back. Oh, they immediately respawn once all the enemies are dead? I see. Hey, folks, do I just need to get better armor for you? Is that what the deal is? I guess that's what the deal is. Let's save. I cannot save it this time. That's fun. So, what happened back there, folks? I keep on dying. Is this like a... Is this kind of a... Maybe I shouldn't have that. Yeah, barrier is OP. Absolutely is.
Charged and locked.
Good. Yes. 36.
Hello?
It's her. It's her.
Please?
Oh, shoot.
Can you hear me out there? I'm trapped. I need help.
Keep it down. We hear you.
Are you okay? What happened to you?
Listen, this thing I'm in is a Prothean security device. I cannot move, so I need you to get me out of it, all right?
There's some kind of repulsion field in the way.
It's a Prothean barrier curtain. I knew it would keep me safe from the Geth.
Okay.
But when I turned it on, I must have hit something I wasn't
Not allowed to
supposed
have guns out and moving elevator.
I was trapped in here. You must get me out, please.
It is against intergalactic law. You brought this on yourself. Nizia. Stay calm.
We'll find some way to help you.
There is a control in here that should deactivate this thing. You'll have to find some way past the barrier curtain.
Okay.
That's the tricky part. The defenses cannot be shut off from the outside. I don't know how you'll get in here. Be careful. There is a Krogan with the Geth. They have been trying different ways to get past the barrier.
Well, folks, I know it's a cliffhanger moment, but I think I need to call it quits for tonight. And we're going to have to save her next week. I know. I'm so sorry, but got an early day tomorrow. Folks had a great time tonight. I hope you did too. Tune in next week on an all-new Mass Effect Legendary Edition starring Ashley Williams, Garrus Vakarian, Commander Shepard, who doesn't look like the guy in the box, and this lady who we're going to save next week. You leave her hovering there for a whole week. I am a monster. I don't know how long it'll take, and I gotta go to bed. I haven't been sleeping well. Folks, thank you so much for chilling with me today. I hope you had a great time. And tune in on Saturday where we're going to do some more SwiftUI and play Jedi Fallen Order. So goodbye and good night.